everybody, and welcome to The Price of Patience. On June 18th, the day after FOMC. Yep, today we had a crazy FOMC. So, show me something in the chat. Let me know, were you trading during FOMC or not, man? But otherwise, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever it is to you. Let's get it going.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yep. All right, cool. So we're going to start it off with a little bit of TA. Get my partner Nick here. I'm going to show y'all a little something. I'm going to show you what I got. If you've been watching the last couple lives, you saw that I did draw some key levels down here, and look where we bottomed out on FOMC, right at my key level at 29.923.25. We wicked exactly off of that level, and we've done nothing but go up since then. All right, so it looks like the market was looking for some liquidity. Doesn't really care about interest rates as much as we would like to think. I honestly, when I saw this happen during New York session, I thought this was one of my high high probability setups where we have a long drop and then we start to get back to the 9 EMA. And I would have thought this would be a perfect short. Easy short, easy money, free money. And yet we just kept going up. So I'm glad I wasn't trading earlier, because that one, that setup would have definitely taken me out. But now we got a V-shaped recovery. And now, if I didn't know any better, I'd say we're going to make an inverse head and shoulders on this 15-minute chart. Over the next couple hours, I'm looking, my forecast is showing we could be going sideways for some time. After a big move like that, we moved a lot of points, people. Just to put it in perspective, from 29.920, let's say, all the way up to 34.26. That's 400 points. And then before that, we did from 34.39 all the way to 29.925. So really, that's almost 500 points. So we went a 500 pointer down, a 400 pointer up. It's a lot of points. Market's going to consolidate for a little minute, and that should create the right shoulder. Now, these head and shoulders this week, they have not really been, identical on the left and right shoulder. History is just rhyming. It's not necessarily repeating itself, right? So you just kind of got to look at it like, find a good place where, I always like to ask this question, if I'm a buyer, where do I want to go long as a buyer? So if it were me, we're between two of the big key levels that we've been talking about, my hourly key level here where we topped out today in New York, and then my 4-hour key level here where we bottomed out. So there's not really any key levels in here that I would really expect any respect from, except there's this 15-minute key level here. I'm just going to put an order here as a reminder, because there's confluence. All right, so come on. There we go. Yeah, so I am seeing confluence here. We have a wick back here. What's that at 2 days ago at what's that? The Asian Open. All right, we have a wick at this level. We had another test at this level. It was respected in New York session in the morning time twice, a third time, and then we broke through it. And that's when, below that level, buyers got very aggressive before the sellers won that battle and took us down to the next level. So it's a 15-minute level. It doesn't deserve all the respect in the world, but if we're going to flag, okay, and we're going to make a shoulder, the left shoulder touched this level before it took off. My best guess, and it is just a guess, is that the right shoulder is going to come and find liquidity at this level before we actually start to go up. This is what it looks like on the left side. came down and touched this level, then we, bounced. If we can get that same kind of action, then we should be looking at a bounce to 35.17. So we're only looking at a 150 point move, which is more than enough for whatever account you're trying to pass, if you play it the right way, if you're patient. Okay, but okay, so thing number two, we're looking for a 150 point move off of this third 33.17. And then in addition to that, we have to look at how long did it take for that move to happen. So, all right, so let's look at the bounces off of this level. We have one that only took 30 minutes, and that was great. If we're that lucky, we have one that only took 15 minutes. All right, then we start to chop a little bit, and look at what time it is. It's the most liquid time of any day between 8 and 10, 8 and 11. It's the overlap of the New York and the London sessions. All right, so right after that, of course, it's lunchtime here. We chopped around. It took a little over 2 hours. I would expect the Asian session to give us a little bit more action like this, right? So if we can recreate this here, what happened at 1 p.m. today, then we're looking at about, we should expect to be in this trade about 1 hour. So price is actually approaching this level as we speak. It's starting to get closer. We're about 50 points off. All right, so if we can just drop another, okay, from the lows, we're talking just like another 25 points, then we should be looking at longs. And it also has confluence with the lower Bollinger Band, which I like. We somewhat respected that in retrospect. But yeah, that's my analysis, y'all. So I got a long order. I'm gonna be putting in at 33.17. I think it's 33.17.50. And my target is going to be right below this key level. I don't want to get greedy and try and get up and through it and all that. Maybe I'll size up and do two contracts, and that way I can, just kind of scale out. Maybe I'll do more than that. But yeah, I'm just gonna go for 34, 39. That should be cool. By default, I have a 75 point trade on. I'm probably gonna trail my stop as we get into it if this trade works out. So I know it was kind of long winded, but that's the trade plan now. That's the key levels breakdown. My brother Nick, you want to add anything? What are your thoughts? Nick the Wick, you with us, bro?
My bad, I'm muted again. I'm sorry. I was muted for some reason. We here?
Mm-hmm. Yep, here you know, loud
Okay.
and clear.
Um. My thoughts. Yeah, I mean, I'm with you again, same as yesterday. Um. Uh, for me personally, I mentioned that 1 hour level, 30,330, where 1 hour candle did not have a lower wick, and we came down, bounced on lower time frames on 5 minutes. 5 minute time frame, we bounced like 3 times off of it, and then before the FOMC, we got these crazy moves, down, up, and that was what, 500, 400 points range. Um, yeah, right now I marked the Asia high. I marked previous day highs and lows. I mean high and low. And yeah, let's see. Right here, I don't see anything super clear. So I just want to see a breakout of this consolidation that we are making, or a breakdown, and go from there. Um, One more thing that I would like that we check is gold, because you called out some level yesterday and the alert got hit, but I haven't checked it. So
Let's take a look. Let's take a look.
Bro, you said you want to go long for for 4,250. We came down, we again touched. I have these levels here. I have this naked daily, naked weekly point of control for
mhm,
weeks now, if not for months. We again just touched 4,237
mhm.
to 39 and we bounced. We are back at 300s, 330,
Eesh.
336.
Okay, so we
Well,
broke the
this
level
is
a bit.
crazy.
Oh, but
This
the
was
low of the session is low of the session is right around there. Okay, cool.
mm,
Yeah, but a
mm,
V-shaped recovery on gold too, and now we're looking at longs on gold. And I mean, if gold wants to act like Nasdaq, you can get your rocks off a lot faster with gold than you can with Nasdaq. So more power to it.
yeah, that's true. That's true. And actually, this was the gap fill, like a perfect gap fill. Look at that on
Mm-hmm.
Monday to
Yeah.
Sunday, Sunday gap, Friday to Sunday, no?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect fill and a bounce. Okay. And we called it. How many times did I say I want to see gold like down at 4K?
Mm-hmm. 4250.
Maybe maybe 3,500, and we bounce from this 4K, 450, whatever. But okay, back to NQ. I just wanted to check this, what happened with it, because I know I set an alert for you.
Mm-hmm.
That went on yesterday. So yeah, basically, okay, we are breaking down it seems from this little consolidation. So let's see. And on a bigger time frame, like I took this whole picture because we have to be aware that since last Thursday we were coming only up. So we had what 28,600 to 31 almost. So what 1,500 in couple of days, last over the weekend. So so I marked the golden pocket here. I pulled the fib from the low to the high. We have a
Mm-hmm.
golden pocket around 29,460 to 388.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, did not check the volume profile here yet of that same move. So from the let's go just from the low to the high.
Very nice.
Hmm.
Nice.
Okay, we actually bounced yesterday, or when was it? Yeah, yesterday. We bounced from this huge volume node, high volume node that we had. Uh, and if we're gonna retest the lows of yesterday and like in case that we don't hold that, I think we might really come down to 400 and then bounce. We have to note also that today is the last day of trading for this week, or I'm not sure actually. Futures will be like short hours tomorrow, right on Friday,
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
and
I
we
think
have
options will close around one.
hmm, okay, and I guess Trump is signing a deal with Iran on Friday, so
He was just saying something about if he doesn't like something, then no deal. But
yeah,
yeah, right now he's signing it. I don't think the market really cares what Trump does anyway. So
yeah,
we're
for
over
sure,
the whole. Unless he says good news, we're kind of over it. Like, is the war over or
yeah.
not? Okay, it's still not over. Okay, we're in the same place.
Yeah, that's true. But we saw on over the weekend we had some like announcement that war could be over and we gapped up and we went higher. So yeah,
Hmm. And the market cared about that. We have a 60-day ceasefire, and we've established that ceasefire doesn't include Israel. Israel is silent in the American ceasefire in this war. So.
Mm,
Can still expect them to bomb Lebanon, but we're not here to get political. Just
no, no.
saying, I just don't want you to think that when you hear that Lebanon got bombed during the ceasefire, I don't want you to think that that's going to cause a reaction on the charts because the market's already priced that in.
Probably not. No.
Mhm. Yep, already priced in. So we are approaching this first level here. If we don't truly catch support at this level, then I'm looking for price to come down to this next intersection, which is going to be a little lower at 32.25. Okay, and if we break that, if we break 32.25, you might as well go short. We're looking at lower lows. Um, as long as we can stay above, really 3,300. But if we go anywhere below 3,200, then just go ahead and go short. Thank me later. Go past any
Mhm.
account that you want. Just make sure you're using risk management, not financial advice. Of course, you see that little the words flashing across the screen now. Don't ignore that. All right, but we're almost at the first entry right now. So today we are paying the price of patience in full. We
Yeah,
will not
for
need
sure.
change.
Where is
Mm,
our session low?
I don't want an aggressive entry here because I don't want price to just dodge my entry like it likes to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it off. If we can get, here we go.
Order filled.
Ah, I didn't want that. Price kind of wicked up right before I could get in. I wanted to get in at 303.25. I have an order at 303.23. So if we come and get that, I'll get in for another contract. But yeah, that aggressive entry might have been a good idea. I don't know. We'll see in a moment.
Yeah, I in 306 too. Um, that's the Asia low. So I'm, I don't know. I think we have to wait a little bit just to for the price to um start moving a little bit cleaner
Hmm.
to the right.
I'm just going to take my little scalp.
Order
I think
filled.
it's coming back down. Build a little cushion. Made some good points on that. But we're not done dropping. Come on. Show me what you got, NQ.
We did that same level that from yesterday, 330.
Mhm. Oh, that was a good scalp. It's coming right back to me. Yeah, I think when we do break out of this, we're quickly going to go back to the balance range of that consolidation. If we don't get there, like in honestly, like 10 minutes, so I think it's a fake push. Could be wrong. Definitely could be wrong. Because again, it's Asian session, low volume, but we'll see.
Yeah, let's see. I think we're about to have a move in 20 minutes, half an hour, as always,
Hmm.
from 7 to 8 my time, and then some kind of consolidation, accumulation, whatever, and then after New York, after London opens, we will go again.
Hmm. And we need to lose these 20s. You know what I'm noticing with these 80-20 things? Like, price likes to, unless we have a ton of momentum, price likes to play around and make you feel like the 20s are support and the 80s are, resistance or vice versa. And then when it does break through, it usually breaks through with some volume and
Mm.
it overshoots. I mean, Nasdaq's known for overshooting. It overshoots those levels. And if you can catch that first wick, usually that's a good entry. But for now, I mean, might as well short the bottom. It's gonna break through those 20s and do something surprising.
Yeah, we actually this Asia session high is this week's point of control, so we rejected this week point of control. I would say, mm,
Mm. And there's a low volume node between where price is and my entry, which is kind of acting as resistance. But I feel like once we break through it, once we're in the process of doing, then it's gonna come to my entry pretty quick. I'm just trying to look at the volume profile and get an idea of where it's gonna stop.
I don't think we have much around here.
Hmm.
At least not on volume profile. We have this huge zone where we bounced from yesterday.
And the bottom of the Bollinger
Below.
Band's working together to push this thing
Mm.
up a little.
Okay, you wanna share the screen? You have something going on?
Yeah, I got you. Oh man, come on. Laggy computer. There we go.
Computer.
All right. Okay, I keep clicking things I have no business clicking. Hold on. Now I gotta close Photoshop. Sorry about this, everyone.
Haha.
Little delay. I hope we don't miss our entry. I got a limit
You
order,
said
so
what is your entry? Three.
can't see it. Let me see. We're looking at 308,
Okay.
3308.
Yeah.
And then my
Geo
stop
six
was
twenty
around
five is the Asia low. So
yeah.
I guess we might take the session low and go higher if it
Mhm.
wants to go higher.
What's that? 308, 308. Okay, cool. Jeez, 308's kind of low, but yeah, I'm going off of like a 15-minute higher wick. And really, I really expected to come to 3278 or that 3280 area. Okay, here we go. Now Photoshop wants to open. Come on, Photoshop. Go back in your hole. Goodness, there we go. Okay. Those prices. Here we go. You gotta start playing these bounces off of the 20.
Good morning, everyone, again.
Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, let me keep an eye on the chat just in case you guys have any
There's no,
questions. You're welcome to ask.
just in case people want to say good morning, hello, and not just lurk from. We have 4 viewers apparently, or 3 viewers. Um, we appreciate you tuning in. Drop a comment. Um,
Yeah, we got a few viewers. Thanks for the thumbs up. Thanks for viewing. Um, we just gave some killer TA, and I mean, price is behaving exactly like we just said it would. So,
hmm.
you've been paying attention long enough to see that.
If that's
Awesome.
not enough for a like, then fine. Then let's help us build this channel, and then we can even give the account or something.
All right, gonna make you some money right here, guys.
Yeah.
In the perfect world,
Mhm.
we're going to see if price can come to 308 and then bounce. All right. And then I'm really expecting price to come to 3232.80. So between 308 and 280 is your buy zone. Don't size too heavy if you want to have a generous stop. I know with NQ, and I think the market makers know this. It's not like they're out to get us, but I mean, everyone usually does like a 10-point stop, 10 to 15-point stop, right? And that range is a little bigger than that. So if you want to play it safe, and I mean, do as I say, not as I do, because I'm not playing it safe. If you want to play it safe, wait until you see the first 5 minute green candle and get in at the close of that candle. And you'll probably have to worry a lot less about finding the bottom.
Yeah, it's not about finding the bottom, I think. Huh? It's just about recognizing that the bottom is in and catching the move, a part
Hmm.
of the move, not the whole move.
And not FOMOing in, because
Yeah.
anytime we dip below a 20 level, price likes to react and say, hey, 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 I'm not okay with that. I don't like to go under 20s. And then it'll change its mind very quickly and say, you know what? I think I left something back there. Let me go look around. Yep. And it'll be looking for your liquidity, your entry, these buy orders that we're putting in. Lo and behold, we're going to come revisit below the 20s, right to my entry. And, you see the confluence. You see the confluence right there. And somehow, okay, we could get some action at 290, 289 as well. So there's a very nice pocket of liquidity in here between this 308 and this 30280. This 28 points right here. I know price wants to get it up in here.
Where would you put your stop loss? All the way down? Mm,
Um,
like
so I
272, 270 or higher?
so I'm kind of doing it this way. So my first entry is at 308. I'm gonna add another one if we can get to 290,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm gonna let it stop me out if it gets below 280, and then I'll get back in with three contracts if we get to like, what is that? I'll get back in with three contracts if we can get to 231, and that's three trades there. So if I lose all three of those trades, then I'm gonna have a short bias. I'm gonna flip the shorts.
And then it's gonna rip.
That'll be that.
But yeah, okay, that sounds good. But I'm curious if this low from yesterday will be the low because guess what? 1 hour candle has no lower wick uh, down.
Mhm. I feel like I should be shorting this right now because it's about to come break these 20s. I'm just gonna turn off my. It's too late. It just got aggressive.
Mm. So yesterday we had that kind of a candle and eventually we came down to revisit and we were also like 5-8 did 300, so 200, 200, 250 points higher from that level, and we came down.
Mm-hmm.
Right now we are what, 317. This is at 29,993, so another 340, 300 points to the
Mm-hmm.
downside. I'm not saying we wanna revisit that today, but definitely a level that could be revisited and fixed, and then we can go back up.
Absolutely. And here comes my first entry here. I did take one trade already,
Order
but
filled.
it was just a little scalp on the bounce. Okay, but now this is the real deal. I want this to be a at least a 75 pointer. Okay, because I am risking 30 points for
We j-
75. Right,
we
but
just we just took the Asia low. I mean, we are
there you go.
still in Asia, so we just made new Asia low, right?
Uh, uh, yeah. So I'm thinking I want to see some action. I want to see a bounce off of the 280s from here. This was an aggressive entry, but it could come lower, or I'm expecting a bounce from here, to be honest. But it's not like a high probability bounce right now. But there's liquidity here. I think it's hunting for the additional liquidity below us, which is actually like three different areas I'm seeing now where price is going to want to come to grab that liquidity. So our first one is at the 3278. Like I said, if you're just getting here, you might not have heard me say earlier. We have liquidity down here at 3231 as well. We have a decent amount of liquidity down here at 3130. I think price is really going to want to come take some of that. But this V-shaped recovery could easily continue. We could see that another day, another month. Just know that when we do come back down to this area, price is going to quickly jump between these levels here. Okay, the 3126 and 3230. Oh man, that's an easy 100 pointer right there. You just got to place your bets accordingly. So that's why I was saying if I do get stopped out in this trade and price goes under 3278, and then it's gonna bounce if it does that, and that's when I'm gonna go short. Just gonna go ahead and get on the short bus.
Sounds good.
But until then, I got a long bias. This is a bull flag if we've ever seen one. It's a beautiful bull flag too. Um, but it could turn into a head and shoulders. We're starting to print like a head and shoulders on the 15. So that would take so long. It's giving me anxiety thinking about how long it would take to play
It will
out.
be a preparation for the New York session, probably.
Yeah. Yeah. If we fixed all those liquidity zones and we went and took all that liquidity and but you know what? That'd be interesting. Hmm. We just went to the low of the session. I have 3098, 398 is the low of the session. If we went down there, um, I would argue that's a really good place to go long. If we could make a triple bottom, that would be bullish. And I have this bullish bias for a couple reasons, but yeah, I really think we should still have a bullish bias. The uptrend's still pretty intact. I mean, while this trade's playing out, let's look at the higher time frames. Gave myself a lot of room on this.
But that's smart, bro.
Okay. So looking at the higher time frames, the uptrend is very much intact. I mean, yes, we had the 4 hour uptrend. We broke down, we went sideways. FOMC broke us down. We're arguably making another pennant on the 4 hour. Um, and I would expect on this 4 hour candle for us to respect the bottom of the Bollinger Band, which coincides with what I was saying about a triple bottom. All right, so if we make that triple bottom, I would expect the next candle to come up to about 278. So that's a 200-point move. Um, but it's a bearish pennant. So yeah, we'd be making a right shoulder to a head and shoulders. I think we would need a catalyst. We'd probably need like a Trump tweet. Okay, time to zoom in. Price is on the move.
Yeah, I fired up a short from 301.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
I
Me
would
and this.
like to see, I would be happy with 253 right now, considering how fast we are moving all of a sudden. That's previously equilibrium. Let's see if we can get that. If not, also good. But
Yeah, I'm gonna add to this long at we can get down to around the low 280s. I'm just gonna add to this long so I can get out of it at break even on a bounce, and that'll be that. At this point, we're going to 280 for sure. I told y'all we're coming. I know if you're watching this, you're probably like, oh well, I don't know why he's long. I'm probably just gonna go short because I'm calling it out. But I'm trying to be here for that violent bounce back up. I'm still believing in this bear flag, but the longer I look at it, it's starting to look like a head and shoulders.
yeah, but look, this was 15 points up, 15 points down and back up
Hmm.
in a minute. So,
Yeah, yeah. That's because we got close to those 80s.
mm-hmm.
Got deep into the 80s. That's
Yeah,
the first
83.
bounce.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's the first bounce. But I want to see if we retest it. If we retest it, it's pretty much going. It's going to take us through there.
Well, if we come down, I will probably scalp some out. I should have done that, but you know me. Um,
But that was also a nice liquidity zone. So if there is
yeah.
enough buy orders there, it could actually take us up and out of the bear flag. But what I say earlier, if we can't do it in 10 minutes, if we can't do it before this 15-minute candle closes, then I'm not a believer. I'm not a believer. What I'm watching closely is I might be able to get out of this trade green and still flip to shorts if shorts is going to be a thing. I'm just looking to see the volume. Is it picking up? Are we getting any sort of momentum? How are we reacting at the 9 EMAs, at the 14 SMAs? Um,
Hmm.
it's going to
Yeah,
tell
I'm
me
stuck.
everything I need. Yeah, that I just
I'm
went green
stuck
on this
there.
trade.
Uh,
Yeah, I was down 24 points. I came all the way back to green. Let's see. How green can we go? All right. I would like to see us at 352. Gonna have to break through the 320s for that to happen. So let's see. That was a good short. We went straight from through the 20s all the way down to the 80s really quickly.
Yeah, I should have taken profit. I don't know what. Well, okay, first trade of a day. Wakey, wakey, home. Okay.
Yeah, they're like Nasdaq's telling you to get your reflexes on point,
Yeah,
man.
yeah, yeah, yeah. And I had time to do so. Like I had more than enough time, and I was like, no, I will leave it. So okay, let's
It's
go
all
again.
good.
Yeah.
All good. Now you're awake. Now you're ready.
No more
Okay.
than.
All right. Look at that push. I'm green now.
Let's go. Well, I wanna be. I want to be green too.
Yeah. Want everybody green. I hope you're watching this. If you guys are watching, you had a pretty good entry. If you got in with me, if you weathered the storm, we're about to see as much green as we saw red. We need again first 10 minutes. So we're 5 minutes into the first 10 minutes since we broke, got into this trade. I said this trade's gonna take us about an hour to get,
Mm,
75 points.
you did.
We risked 30 points on this trade. We didn't even see the bottom of the drawdown, but I mean, you never want to see that. So here we are. Give this another 15 minutes, but really, I'm watching the next 5 minutes very closely. Very close. Let's see how this goes. Mhm. So I really want to see how we react at these 20 levels too. There's a lot of things I'm paying close attention to. But first and foremost, I want to see how we're reacting at these 20 levels. If we reject from the 20s and quickly revisit those 80s, um, I would consider shorts heavily. Um, if we reject from these 20s and then just keep trying to push through the 20s, I'm going to feel very comfortable in this long. I'll probably actually add to it while I'm up instead of while I'm down.
That's
So,
also way to go.
uh-huh. All right. So here comes that first reject of the 20s. We're going to dip back down, see how bad it is. Yeah, because we're struggling here. Or if we have a lot of momentum and we push straight through the 20s and they instantly become support. Okay, that's
Right
super
back up to
bearish.
the 80s. Let's go.
If we go right back up there, yeah, that's very bullish. Super unlikely, but very bullish. Okay, so I mean, if you see 29, you might as well forget about it. Like we're long for real. Um, but yeah, price is really resilient up here. So there was a lot of buy orders. That tells me there was a lot of buy orders down there um, at those lows that we just swept. It's a ton of buy
Yeah.
orders.
Yeah.
You know, that volume created like a wave of confidence in buyers, and they're getting aggressive. They don't think it's going to go back down. This might be the best entry you get for the bull flag breakout.
Okay. The TP1 got hit.
You already hit your first TV?
Yep.
Very nice. Oh shit, we're
Yeah.
already at 29. All right, there you have it, people. I think we can confidently say that this bull flag is trying to play out.
Market whisperer.
Yeah, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, they're pushing.
That's crazy. The 20s instantly became support, and now we're off. It's bullish. It's very bullish.
Oh, it's bullish. I'm up, bro. I brought. Let me just check something. Equity, so I would need 650 and I have 1200. So you know what? I'm gonna take 20 more contracts here. Confirm. There we go. What a lovely push when I need it. Take more
This thing is
contracts
really
out
getting.
from.
This thing is seriously pushing. Okay, and man,
Nice.
I called the shit
Yeah.
out of that.
I just brought the account back. So thank you from a drawdown and a little bit more. So I
Yeah.
just secured like 1500 and I still have five runners. Our friend Randall in the chat again. Good morning. Hello. Check your volume. It is very low on my end. Yeah, usually it is low at these sessions, um, but we have nice movements
Oh no,
and done a
he's
lot
talking
better.
about our microphone volume.
Oh shit! My bad.
Yeah, he's
My
talking
bad.
trader talk. He's talking English.
English.
Traders take value into something completely
I
different.
don't.
It's
I
good.
don't speak English. English. Volume. Volume bad. Oh my god. My bad. I'm sorry. Okay. Maybe it's just my morning voice. I didn't have coffee yet. I'm about to make myself a coffee and then we can rock and roll. Oh my god. By the way, I brought even I got myself a mic. I just don't know if it will work if I just plug it in or I have to set something up.
Hmm.
Slowly upgrading, slowly upgrading.
Yeah, upgrading the
Then,
equipment.
then I'll be able to whisper in your ear, Randall.
Yeah, we're killing it though. Okay, let me zoom in here because yeah, we called that down to the T. The entry
Oh,
was
you
great.
did, bro. You did. You
Yeah,
did. You did.
entry was ideal. We got in at our first entry. We didn't even get to that second liquidity pocket here. And I'm still wondering if we will. Hopefully, what's going to keep the price up is if everybody who's waiting at this liquidity pocket and this liquidity pocket, you guys just don't mind canceling your orders so that, price doesn't come down there looking for you, I'd really appreciate it. Um, if price is going to continue to hunt liquidity, we're going to see it happen pretty soon. We have this 9 EMA first touch on the 15 since the downtrend began. And
Oh,
it's not really a downtrend, but with these EMAs, the longer you go sideways, the easier it is to flip, the 9 EMA under the 21 and the 14. So it happened, and someone could look at this chart and say, "Oh, this is a great time to go short." And anytime you have that, you kind of got to worry about a reversal. So um, we're not out of the woods yet. Not out of the woods yet. We do have all of that consolidation to break through. There's a lot of people that they went long at these lows of the flag that we just swept. And I mean, some of them had a stop loss, and we just swept their stop loss. That's one reason that we're getting this liquidity push here. Um, but some people are still, red from going long somewhere in this flag, and they're waiting for price to come up. They're going to aggressively exit their longs, which is going to create short pressure. You know, um, if we start getting close to their break even, so that's something that we have to kind of be concerned about between this 9 EMA and this 14 SMA. I think there's a ton of trapped buyers in here who want to close out those orders. They might panic sell before we actually break out of this flag, right? And that could create short pressure that breaks us back down, takes away everything that we just gained. So just to protect myself from that, because we are slowing down, don't want that to play out while I'm talking. I am moving my stop loss in profit just a little bit, Just took 30% of my profits and locked it in. I would recommend you lock in some profit here. You can always get back in. If we sweep these lows, if we sweep the low of the candle that we're currently in on the 15 minute, then I would definitely expect us to revisit 32.28. So if I get stopped out, I'm probably just going to go short to 32.28.
I think we are still good.
Okay.
14 9 are holding on 30 seconds.
Okay. Yeah, the buyers seem very aggressive.
Mentioned to me, I don't know, 30 seconds, but it's been playing out. Money flow is curving to the upside nicely.
Oh no, bro, you're an expert of those smaller time
Um,
frames because you look at them so often. Your eyes are kind of
yeah,
trained to see what strength looks like on those low time frames. So, and
that's
look at
that.
it; it's
This
playing
is
out now.
true. Only note. Look at the 5 minute. This is the first touch of the 14, and this previous candle was some kind of yeah, um, um undecisive. So be careful. Let's be careful. Check the 5 minute and tell me what you think.
All right, let's take a look.
Because the 5 minute has a nice curvature to the downside on the money flow, and we came down now. And the question is, will we continue down? Will we just revisit the lows, make a double bottom, or we have
Well,
more
there
to
you
go?
go. We're
Yeah,
making a we're making an evening star.
yeah.
This is
Since
also the first touch of the 9 So we have confluences for shorts. We're in that liquidity zone I was talking about. We touched that 9 EMA perfectly on the 15 minute, and we are rejecting from the 14 SMA on the 9 minute. We're starting to make a bit of an evening star on the 5 minute, but this could also turn into a bullish continuation pattern if we can turn this into like a pin bar. The bulls can surprise the bears and turn this into a green bar and push above that 14, give us a close.
guys,
Then we'll
yeah,
have a kind of like a V-shaped recovery out of the uh, out of the liquidity zone that we just came from. So I agree with you that it can kind of go either way now, but I still have a bullish bias. So I haven't closed my trade or anything. I'm still in.
I almost did. I did not. I have five runners, stop loss in profit, so I'm good either way. But the question you always ask, if I was a seller, do I want to go short here? And I think the answer is probably yeah.
Yes, there's
um,
some sellers, but
and,
I would argue that if I'm a seller, where I really want to go short is closer to 33.64, like right at the bottom
mm,
of the consolidation of this
see
flag.
what you mean.
That'd be a better risk reward as a seller. So I would expect a little bit more resistance there. And guess what?
Huh?
If we go out to the 15 minute, guess where our 14 SMA is?
Mm,
It's got a lot of confluence with that area, right? So,
you're
I
right.
mean,
Okay, okay. But even the 15 minutes, if we have, and we are just 3 minutes into this new candle, and the last candle was engulfing one, engulfing, or however you say it. So what if, and we swept the Asia low, so we made new Asia low. What if we go for the high now
yeah.
on the
Oh, yeah,
15
yeah.
minute
If we
on
break out of this
15?
flag, no
Yeah,
question. Yeah.
on 15 minutes looks like it's very possible.
Okay. So, yeah, I think the buyers kind of won that fight with the sellers. Looking at the volume on the 5 minute, we are
Hmm.
getting increasing volume. That doji has surprisingly low volume, right? But we're coming up to that point we just talked about, and I think it's for the same reason we said, right? There's a bunch of people who have sell orders right there. There's a lot of liquidity there, so price is looking for that liquidity. It's going to come up there, grab those sell orders, and we could get an aggressive move down as soon as we touch the bottom of the flag, right? So just be careful. Don't be afraid to move your stop loss further into profit than I have it. I am considering it, but I'm also considering the possibility that we could get, a V-shaped recovery, all green bars all the way up and out of this flag. So, of course, that's what we want. We're long. We really wanted to go push and make new highs,
That
but
would be lovely. Yeah.
that would that would be everything we need, right? But um very possible the sellers are going to put up a fight, and we're getting to, right above 360. We're going to start to see the sellers, put up their biggest fight.
And you know what I will tell you? I told you yesterday, but I will say it again. Like, I don't know where you find these levels. How do you find these numbers? But bro, they are working. So
Yeah,
shout out to you once again. Really, like I'm amazed.
no
Um.
problem. I've been doing this a long time, so
Hmm.
you know, I just can see it, and I'm using trade of eight charts. I'm not even using trading
Yeah,
views, so
that's another
appreciate it though, man. A lot of hard work. Took a lot of L's to be able to see with
Mm.
these eyes.
Mhm. You invested in your site, right?
hmm
Mm.
So we just got, and I mean, if you had to just look at the scoreboard, the buyers are putting up numbers right now. So the buyers have won four candles back to back on the 5 minute. Yeah, there's that aggressive sell orders coming in. We just barely got close to that bottom of this bottom of the bull flag, and there's a lot of orders in right there. So I think we're gonna start to
You
get some
have
sort of
some.
a
Do you have
uh,
like a DOM or something, or like order book open there on the trade of it, or what you're trading?
I don't know.
You're
It's
setting the
just
trade.
no, it's not that. It's just I can see the wicks, right? And I'm just thinking
Mm-hmm.
about where experienced traders are gonna place their orders at, right? They're gonna place their orders right where there's resistance, right where there's support. So, and then if you're doing an aggressive entry, then not only do you have an order placed there, but you're also got your finger on the trigger to, you know, get a little market order in right before it even hits your level, just in case. That's that FOMO. So I think that little push down, that was a whole bunch of people just pressing the market order out of FOMO. That price isn't going to come to their level, but I don't think we're out of the woods yet. Yeah, but if we can get above this 372.75 with a candle close, especially on the 15
And
minute,
then we would
get a
go.
candle close above that on the 15 minute,
I
smooth
have
sailing.
another TP at 370, 375.
Okay.
So just above the that one candle that we had on the downside. Um, but
I'm pretty sure we'll get to 371, but there's a there's kind of a wall at
I just put it at
373.
370. I just put it at 370. Three
Yeah,
contracts out of five, just so my PNL is like a little bit more round.
makes sense here.
So
There's a bit of a wall at 373 that we're gonna need some volume to push through.
where is Carlos? He has to bring us volume. Mhm.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, we're cooking right now. Buyers are not giving it up easy. They're trying to push through.
Good.
And I mean, with today being, let me confirm while we're waiting. Let me confirm the trading hours for June 19th or June 18th. Trading hours, June
I think
18th.
we have futures are short and options are closed.
Stock markets and NASDAQ operate on normal trading hours from 9 to 4.
Yeah.
Full trading day before markets close for Juneteenth. Oh, so it's normal today. Okay, so
Yes. Today.
tomorrow's.
Yeah, Friday tomorrow. So 19 should
Okay,
you
my
should check
bad.
for 19. Yeah, yeah.
I thought
18.
I read something about Thursday being weird hours too, but okay, normal hours today, nothing to worry about. You got a short day on Friday, so we're good. Wow, look at that. This thing kept going. We broke the 60s, broke the 60s, and we stayed green. That is something else. We still got green candles. So
Let's
yeah, I
go.
I think the buyers are really showing up.
Good.
Yeah. Let's keep getting those aggressive entries. Let's keep pushing it. We need to get to the 370s. And then we got the final boss at the 380s.
Final boss. He beats the final boss.
The final boss. We got to beat them. That's where my first TP is at 383. Um, I got to add to this position. I was honest. I'm waiting for a pullback to add to this position, but it's not looking like it's gonna give me one. Um,
Yeah, but that what that means that you could have or you could get one out of nowhere.
yeah, yeah, exactly. I could just add to it anywhere. Oh yeah, or that too. Yeah, but yeah, I just wait for an aggressive pullback and
Good morning, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Tell us where you're watching from. Tell us what you're trading if you're trading. Um, don't just sit there and watch. Say hello. We are a small channel, growing channel. You are witnessing history. In a couple of months, you will be like, "Oh my God, I watched them when they had like 3 people watching." So hit the thumbs up, drop a comment, and yeah, just enjoy the show. I think we
it's
have such a nice um like a good trades streak over the last 2 weeks.
mm-hmm.
I think the last 3 weeks since we started this streaming, I think I had the best trades of my um let's call it career. Well,
Going on.
execution wise, TA wise, everything, just yeah, game changer for me personally.
That's good.
What's going on?
Oh,
Oh,
Carlito, I just mentioned you.
who
Really?
summoned you, bro?
Yeah.
I got a little bit a few seconds later then I didn't hear anything. Good or bad?
Oh,
No, we were
good.
talking Big Smack. We were talking Big Smack.
Be-
You're right back.
yeah.
I'm gonna go watch the replay.
Yeah,
we,
right.
we are struggling at the 15 minutes 9 EMA actually here. So let's see. Let's see. How was your
Yeah.
day, bro?
Mine, mine or Donovan's?
I mean, yours.
It was good, bro. It's good. Can't complain. I've been complaining a little too much lately, man, and I gotta be thankful for what I got. Could be
Yes,
worse.
sir. Yes, sir.
Uh,
Can always be worse.
yeah, it'll get better, man. It's just temporary. It's fine. I gotta have. I mean, I've always been a person like that, bro. Like I don't like people that complain. You gotta be.
Mm-hmm.
And lately, I've noticed that I've been that person, and it's not good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's something about, our journey as men, like with
Mm-hmm.
men, complaining is never the answer.
Yeah.
As a man, even though I mean everyone does it, but still, it's just like as a man, like we're not really allowed to. It's not that we're not allowed, but it's like frowned upon for us to, you know,
I always,
complain or be pessimistic.
yeah, I always ask myself, does it serve me? You know,
Yeah, that's the right question.
if I complain, if you need to, okay, have a drink, cry yourself out if you have to, and push on, right? Life can be pretty messy, pretty difficult. So, um, as long as you don't keep those things inside yourself, I think you're good.
All right, man. Yes, sir. How was you guys' day?
So far, so good.
Oh, well, actually, how's your morning, Nicholas?
Yeah,
So
right for
far,
you.
yeah. So far,
or,
so good.
or how was your sleep, bro? Better that.
Wow, it was amazing. I was super tired yesterday, so yeah, got
That's good.
got myself some nice sleep, and I'm ready for a new session. Already made nice profits actually. Don't call this bottom very nicely. So I went in actually quite late. Still managed to have some gains, take some profit, took some profits. And now I'm waiting for the TP2.
Let's go.
Yeah,
Already
Yeah, I
that.
think we're about to move 30
yeah,
points to the upside. So,
yeah. You remember what you mentioned when we have engulfing candle, then a doji, then another should be a big bullish
hmm
candle. That's what's
hmm
happening on 15 minutes right now.
yeah, I'm looking at it right now.
Yeah.
That'll
Um,
take us to the 14 SMA on the 15, and the
yeah,
buyers are
let's go.
relentless here.
Let's go. My TP is just below the 14. So,
Okay. Yeah, buyers are not giving it up right now. So, that is love. That is love right there. We are exposed to the upside.
yeah. Well, guys in the chat, if you don't want to say hello, at least say happy birthday to our friend here, Donovan.
Oh, wow.
Mhm.
Happy birthday, Donovan. I'll be the first one, bro. I didn't know it was your birthday.
Hey,
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
You mentioned it. That's right, man.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah.
I forgot the exact date too,
If
to
you
be
guys know
honest.
me already, you guys have to always say I have a real bad memory. So I think
That's cool, man. Yeah, I have, I've
I
had
was
a pretty bad memory too, so I get that. I'm terrible with names too.
Mm.
yeah. My wife always tells me I have Assheimer.
Ass timer, but you remember girls by their asses or something. That's funny.
How was your day though, bro? How was it? How
So
was
far, so good, man. I had a really good day. I made myself some lion's mane mushroom steaks today with a salad. One of my favorite dishes to make. It's pretty cool. Ate some fruit. It was a good day, man. I got a lot. And the weather. The one thing I love about my birthday is it's always good weather.
Let's
It's
go.
almost always good weather on my birthday. June 18th. Never had bad weather on June 18th.
Hmm. So you're bringing the nice weather, huh?
Oh yeah, nice weather, nice trades.
Let's go.
The market's giving me $100 for my birthday so far, so
Not too
not too
bad.
shabby. hmm I think she's got another $100 bill for me though.
Go get it, man. Go get it.
Mhm. And pretty easy. It's just we long the bottom. We definitely caught the bottom.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, you're yeah. With it.
Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Hey, you said it though, Nick. All right, the 15 minute. We're doing that pattern.
Yeah. I would hope so. I would hope so. Oh, oh yes. My TP2 got hit. I have two more runners. Equity. Oh, well, I thought it will be a little bit more. You know what? I want to 80, 51, 80. I have, what do I have? I have two more contracts. I have two contracts and I would need 140, so I need 300, so I need 80 more bucks on this trade to take one more contract out. I just want to have a round number, like securing 2K. Um, Actually, no, not securing 2K, but securing the equity above 51K.
There's a lot of sellers right here, so I don't know.
Um,
I don't know how many orders we just hit, but it's gonna push us down a little. We just need the buyers to come up and show face again. And we're at that weird time where we're about to get into the London session, so a
yep,
lot can
I
happen
took
right
I have only one runner right now. That's it. Let me check my. Well,
Uh,
you know what? I secured 2K, bro. Thank you.
here.
I
Problem.
secured. I don't want
Been
it to go below 50. So where did I enter? 314. Now we are at 360. That's what 50 points, 25, let's say 30 to 45. I can put my stop loss here at 35. And no, I don't care.
yeah. Yeah, I got 60 points right here.
And you said you want to see 75 points from here, from your what 285, and you got it.
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
you you got it, bro.
Yeah, the whole thing is coming. Coming for the full TP. We got my first TP is 16 points away. So yep. And we're at that point where it would be really weird for price to turn around. Can't see it, to be honest. I think the market knows that too. It's like, all right, well, we might as well just push here because how many tricks can we trick right now? Came this far. What did Kim Kardashian say? I didn't come this far just to come this far. The all wise Kim Kardashian said nobody. Goodness gracious, we are pushing right now. Okay, okay. All right. So once we break out of this bull flag, we're gonna consolidate a little bit right above the bull flag. And when the 9 EMA catches up, that'd be a great place to add. I might just add as soon as we touch the 9 EMA now.
Mm. Yeah, I'm a little bit sorry that I did not go with this trade on the funded account. But
It's a good one. It was a good one. It's not done either.
yeah.
So it's the good part. We're about to break into the 70s. And I'm not looking at the RSI, but I'd imagine it's getting a little bit a little hot.
So based off the one, I know you guys are longing and everything. Based off the 1 hour, you guys look at the 1 hour and MNQ.
Let me take a look. See what you're talking about, man.
I mean, it's not. I'm not saying it's bearish, but um, definitely not bearish. But then the last hourly candle doesn't convince me. But
This week on last 1 hour candle looks like it needs to be fixed.
and after the run, we lost. Well, I can't say we lost volume because I mean, volume is pretty much all the same. It doesn't. It's not drastic change, but I turned on my fibs, and then we're holding up the. We held up the 6.18, or I mean 61.8. Sorry. On this hourly candle, so we closed right above it. Not right above it, actually, a few ticks above it. So I guess that's good for our continuation to the upside, right?
I guess that's good too. Yeah, no, it really is.
I just closed it.
Yeah, because I mean, we did try, and then right before, or I don't want to say right before the hourly close, but whatever time it was, we closed above there, and it looks like we're pushing right now. Yeah, nice.
Yeah, the next key level is at 3,500 at 30500, right? But so I like to trade key level. So I'm pretty confident we're gonna go
$3,500. Oh,
30,500. Yeah,
okay. Gotcha.
30,500, and then that's it's not really like a series key level. It's an hourly key level from the hourly chart.
Mm-hmm.
So my 4 hour key level is at 30,970 roughly. So that's the one that we're headed towards. I think we're gonna see that between now and New York. You know, not really sure exactly when, but between now and New York, we should see that. But it's either that or we make a lower high and make a lower low as well. But we need to break the 20. Either way, we got plenty of room to do any trades to the upside or downside. But we're coming to the median zone right now, which is it's like a magnet. It's going to cause some consolidation.
I'll tell
Most
you one.
people, yeah. What do you
Go.
say, Carlos?
I know. I love it. I'd love for it to go up because I swung spy calls and then Intel calls, and I don't know what happened to Intel, man, but that thing just popped overnight.
Oh,
So
oh, why? I'm still in poet calls, so I'm bullish for the market. I think that's why I have a bullish bias because I have a lot of leaps that I bought
mm,
on these recent dips, and we're taking the scenic route, but we're still going up.
right. It was just a bad day to the market, but we'll probably get back on track.
Yeah, it's just I don't know if you told me we'd be going up like this around when the new Fed chair had his first speech, I wouldn't believe it. Um,
Yeah,
I
everybody was screaming like pull back, new chair. But
shit pullback. Everyone was screaming correction, correction. You know, like
yeah,
a bear market, bear market. That's what
yeah,
I was
10,
expecting.
15%, 10, 15%.
You know, that's what I
Well,
was expecting. But yeah, just another FOMC.
just another FOMC, FOMOC.
Almost in. Did you guys take any? What trades did you guys take in the New York session? Any options trades?
Zero, nothing, nothing. I
I did. Go ahead, Nicholas.
No, no, I just wanted. I said it already. I funded another account on futures at the FMC. That's it.
Nice. Man, I have yet to get my account, bro. I haven't bought my account.
Hmm.
I mean, I
Okay.
have. trading. Honestly, I didn't trade today even options. I just had those swings that I told you, and I didn't take any day trade. Oh, actually, did take a day trade on Hood, which I only took $50, and since I couldn't watch it, I decided to close it. But I knew that thing was gonna go. The volume was heavy on it today,
Yeah,
and
Hood went crazy
yeah,
today.
I looked at my contract, man. That I bought it at 202, and I still remember that thing was at 475 when I had three contracts, man. I missed out like on
Mm,
700-800 bucks right there or whatever it was. But yeah, bro, I actually took that trade. That was the only trade I took, and because I was gonna get busy. I'm like, I'll just I closed it out, and yeah. But
Yeah, I thought about getting into puts, but I took calls, man. It's funny. I made 70% on a IWM call. I closed that right
lovely.
on
Yeah, I saw
time.
that. I saw that. I saw that. Yeah.
I
Yeah, it's
And you've
pretty
been
good.
calling out some penny stocks like crazy, huh?
have a question.
Yeah.
Why don't
Say
you
what?
have a channel, bro?
Why don't I have what? A
A channel?
channel?
Why doesn't Mark make a channel for you? Definitely need to.
Um, I told him not to because I don't really want one, to be honest.
And I
Um, and he doesn't like people having channels that have their own groups for the most part. Um, but I mean, there are people who have their own groups who have channels, but still, like Bree and Mayhem and all those guys, but still.
Mayhem has
Um,
a channel.
well, kind of. Me and Mayhem kind of have the same thing going on. We have like our own Discord of just friends that we trade with. It's not really like, a paid Discord. It's just like an invite only friends type of thing.
I got you. Okay.
Secret society.
Secret society, yeah, we're calling out trades. We go live with each other type stuff. Mayhem has it with there was some controversy. It's I don't want to say it on here because we're live, but no, there was a thing where some people were upset about people having their own channels and stuff like that. It's some kind of like high school musical drama between
Oh, fuck.
a lot of people that have been trading together for a long time, but man, I just focus on the charts and the money, man. That's all there is to it. I love the red E because there's so many people that I can
Yeah.
share like thoughts with,
Uh,
like in real life, you try and talk to anyone about trading, it's just like they look
yeah.
at you with the blankest face
Yeah,
ever.
yeah. So you're gambling.
For sure.
Basically.
Every
So you
time,
got
every time, yeah, every time I speak with my uncle and he's like, yeah, how is it going? I said, yes, yes, good. But did you take some money out? Do you see cash? Do you have cash? Did you take it on your bank account? You have it? Did you buy
exactly.
something?
Yep.
Like,
Hey,
yeah,
yes,
all that
that's definitely
matters.
true. 100% right.
Nobody cares about personal growth, about learning discipline, about, growing as a person. No, no. Do you have money?
You're like, so how much did you
How
make,
much?
bro?
Yeah, that.
So can you
Unless you
cash
got
it
one of
out?
those screenshots with $12,000 win, then
Yeah,
no one wants to see what's up.
yeah.
Hold on really quick. I'm gonna mute. I got Frank calling me.
Yeah, I took a small long here. If we want to continue here, so let's see.
Okay. I'm coming. It's coming to. I see some resistance here. I have a level also right here, but
Okay.
it's gonna keep not gonna keep pushing. You know.
Yeah, I
Uh,
mean we are at the
I'm
bottom
saying
of previous
just
consolidation. Oh, you're breaking up. You hear?
yeah, yeah, yeah. Can you
Yeah.
hear me?
Okay. Okay. Yeah. 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 It's good now. So yeah, we are. It seems like we are reclaiming this range that we did earlier, like the flag that we did earlier, consolidation, whatever. If we push through here, I think we might see 400
Hmm.
quickly.
Definitely, bro. Yeah, definitely. I have 13.7, 37. I'm sorry, 33.74. That's the level I got. Um,
374. Okay, yeah, that's here.
and definitely I think we definitely get that. What you just called out for. I have the 200 EMA sitting at 410, 409 to be exact,
Yeah, yeah.
and Yep. The next Fibonacci that you said, it's at 400. I just turned on my Fib just to try it out. I mean,
Yes, sure. You
you
and
know,
you have to do it with every move, like two, three times a day with every bigger move. You just,
right.
and it also depends what time frame are you trading. It doesn't matter on what time frame you pull the fib. It just matters on what price section you pull the fib on what move.
Hmm. Yeah.
At least from my experience, because I'm looking for if I'm looking for a big support, then I'm gonna pull it from I don't know on 4 hour time frame or whatever. But if I'm looking something like more local, then I'm gonna go for I don't know maybe weekly or just the move that we had or whatever. So for example, this morning I pulled the fib from last Thursday low to Tuesday high, and that thing is sitting at around. Where did my at around 29,470. So that's way lower. So if we want to see a big time frame continuation, I guess we need to see another pullback. Maybe this week, maybe next week. Doesn't matter. But that's how it usually goes. How it goes.
Yep, I agree with you. I agree with you, man. 10 minute. Okay, see,
Yeah,
so 10 minute. Oh, we had to retouch that actually. Huh? It came very close to that 374 level I told you I have, and then I
yeah.
guess
It touched it actually. 377, 378 actually rejected.
really
Um,
on
mhm.
MNQ,
M and Q, yes.
I'm only showing it touching 374. I mean 372 for me. What?
Wait, you are on what? M and Q what?
You know what? Uh, you know what? I need to go pay my. I just remember, bro, that my digital card where I used to pay the real time data.
Did okay.
My
Yeah.
digital card got canceled because I had like fraud on it, so they couldn't charge me. So I need to go
Okay.
update. Probably that
So
might be the
and
reason.
on your chart on the top left corner you have that orange D
Um,
next to the ticker sign. Oh no, wait, you're on your phone, right?
on my phone, yeah.
I'm not sure. I got stopped out. I'm not sure then where it should be written, but then maybe you have yeah, maybe
Wait,
you
what you
have
say about a D? An orange D?
yes. That
Yeah, I
means
do.
you're
What- Data is delayed. Okay, I got you. Wow, I
yeah,
didn't know.
yeah.
So thank you. Oh yeah.
Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Yep.
Price is
So
trying to
Uh,
pull back to the 9 EMA. I'm gonna go add a contract or two right here.
yeah, I got stopped out and I fired up a short,
Order
make my
filled.
money back, and I have it. So let's see how far we can go here. What is your target to the down? Okay, let's go. Um,
We just touched the 5 minute 14, so it's
oh, 5 minute
there's a
14. Okay.
there's a trend line actually that we might have just came and repaired the bottom of,
Oh wow, there we
but
go. Come on, push
but
it.
we'll see.
Yes, yes. What do I have? 45. I will take 35 out here. Buy
Okay, hold on.
uh, limit. I'm trying, but it does not allow me. Come on, I will set a limit. What? Ah, because I have too many. Okay, have to remove the TP limit. Oh wow, dang it. Okay. Do I want to take anything here? This will collapse, bro. I will take some. I will try at least. Now we touched the 5 minute 14 SMA and we had the bounce. Did not take my profit. I don't do this to me again, please. I'm asking nicely. Think I'm gonna just put my stop loss in profits here. Make sure I make this at least 500. Yeah, okay, I'm stopped out. Well, I was too slow. I missed out on 1K profits. Anyway, I think we are making moves, so it's time for a scalp again. Some scalp frenzy. Now my question is this continuation higher or is this the beginning of a bigger pullback? Um, we are making this so-called trumpet pattern. I would say we will come a little bit lower. I would like to see 330, maybe retest of high 20s. And let's see, we are pushing here. When this close, okay, I'm short. Yeah, let's go. Equity.
Hey,
So I need
mm,
just a little bit more, just a little over 2K. That would be lovely, but
hey, Nicholas,
we are pushing higher. Well,
do
dang
you
it.
hey,
Yeah.
bro, paying for the U.S. stock markets bundle that will
No.
do it for you.
No, I have only futures. I have
Oh,
only futures. I tried the stock market bundle, but I did not realize like what is the difference. So
dang.
um, maybe you get more data, but I did not see any difference. So yeah, I just have only for futures because for futures you need it. Oh no, actually, wait a minute. For stock market, yeah, I think I will check. Give me a second. Now I'm long again, so let me just try to
I,
scout this thing out, and I will check it out for you.
yeah, thanks. I guess not because I still have that D at the top, and I already paid for it. So,
No, if you paid, you shouldn't have the D.
yeah. So I'm guessing.
Yeah, no, that doesn't sound right either way. Oh my God, but now I'm getting chopped out. I give
I'm
some
still in my
profits back.
longs, guys. I hate to tell you this, but
Yeah,
I'm
that's good.
still long, and I
That's good.
added I added to my long
Oh wow, nice.
because you know that area where I was talking about earlier, where there was going to be a lot of sellers. We hit that
Yeah.
area perfectly and rejected.
Mm-hmm. It's breaking that.
So now
This is
I need to
yeah.
see us like go back
Here.
up and break that area.
Yeah, me too. Me too.
It's gonna be a nice push right here.
Yeah.
Looks like it. Yeah, let's go.
I moved my take profit up to 3,400.
Yeah, I have 395. Yeah. Good
So
morning. We again have 8 people watching. Nobody saying good morning. Nobody saying hello.
yes, if you're just getting up to trade the close of the Asian session, and you are right on time.
Yeah,
You're
my
gonna see
friends
a
here.
nice little push here.
Oh, and all of a sudden we have 4 viewers,
Yeah.
and they don't like being roasted, huh? My people at home, my friends at home with us, is that your culture? You don't say hello? That's your culture?
Your culture is crazy. What about you know, I don't know what it is. What do we got to do to get
Oh
people to
my
press the
God.
like button? We got to put some sort of image on here that says like and
Yeah, we
subscribe.
have to. We have to. Oh yeah, that's true.
We
But
got
I
to put
think we
that.
have to make a thumbnail with our mouth open. Like we are some kind of whatever, and huge P&L, and then people will come.
Heck yeah. Heck yeah. No, I think put a
Well,
little
bro,
thumbs up
this
on the
is now
screen
playing
somewhere.
with me. Yeah, I will make that. So I just gave a bunch of my profits back. Now I want to short this because I think this is just playing with me. Think this is just playing with me. Um,
Well, you know what time it is. It's
yeah,
playtime for NQ.
yeah, yeah.
I found
Oh,
it.
I just noticed my
No,
My stop loss only has one contract, and I'm in two contracts, so that's not
and
gonna cut it.
that's yeah.
That's not gonna stop anything. Okay, so let's put my stop here. Stop. Oh, turn AC back up. Some, okay. Go, go, go.
When I start seeing this lag, when the price action is doing one thing and my PNL is not respecting it, I think the bigger move is coming. Same with premiums on the option
Turning it
books,
on
like
now.
on the contracts. When they start moving aggressively all of a
Okay,
sudden.
let's move this down. 75. The AC is coming. The AC is coming.
Hey Donovan, do you pay for real time data for options?
He's
Hey,
not using TradingView at all. He's not paying anything, bro. He's
Oh,
master of the charts.
okay. That's right, man. Never mind.
yeah,
He
My
is
I
the
don't.
master. He is the master of this game, bro.
Thanks, man. Yeah, I haven't used TradingView in like over a year.
yeah, definitely forgot that you use Weibo, right? Yeah.
Yeah, we both. Right now, I'm using Tradevate.
No,
You
but
say
for
something? You need
for
something?
You don't use TradingView? How do you even make money, bro? You must be some kind of a scammer. You don't even sell the course. What the heck?
Don't even sell the course, man. Nah, you guys got to buy my course. The first step to getting rich is
How,
get rich.
yeah, how do you trade? How do you trade without indicators, bro? What the heck?
It's crazy. I am the indicator.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Your push-ups. Wait, when you do push-ups, price goes down, right?
Now, when I do sit ups, price goes
Shit.
up.
Okay.
Do push ups,
We
price
need
goes
10.
down.
We need 10 push-ups for 50 sit-ups.
Hmm. There we go. We're going to put a stop loss right there. So we're not risking it all. We can't risk it all. Not gonna lie, guys, I'm scared for longs because we hit that
A
big
little bit.
liquidity pocket. It was that big pocket of shorts that we hit.
Well, I'm full port short.
Yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen here.
No, but I'm ready to take profits very, very soon.
My
Um,
clairvoyance is coming to an end. I don't like that last candle. Tells me that the buyers tried to go and take the shorts out and they failed miserably.
Look at that level
Miserably.
about Nicholas.
yep, yep.
Need the need the buyers to really take a stand here because this is reversal territory we're seeing.
I think I have to. No, we good. We good. I think we're coming down. Trigger wave on 5 seconds. Come on, flush it. No, we just
Yeah.
need to take the low. If we don't take this last low, 340, then we are going back up. So I will put my first stop loss in profits here, but that will ruin my entry. So the second stop loss will be screwed up. So let's just flush it. Come on. Now 15 seconds wants to go up. Does it? Uh, well, I cannot take any partials here because my entry will be ruined. So I have to wait. I somehow full ported for zero or hero. Considering we came to this level 2 times, there we go. two times, and we had a straight move up. Now we are consolidating. That gives me the vibe that it wants to come a little bit lower, but again, nothing is super clear here. But that's just price action observation. When you come to a level of two times and you have a nice sort of V-shaped recovery, and then you come third time and you start chopping around, then I wonder. I start wondering. I
Because
don't even.
if you go to the 1 hour and you look left just a little bit, you can see that level I told you is a nice cool little resistance zone and
Mhm.
support as well. So that's why I guess we're gonna have a little bit of a struggle getting past that point.
Mm.
But eventually I think we
Oh, let's go. Drop it.
got this topic now. On the 10 minute right now, we're holding up to 6.18. This is the third time. The third.
Yeah, double bottom here. So let's see. This is the level where we have to make a decision if we want to go higher or lower.
Oh
Well,
wow!
my both stop losses are in profit now, so whatever, I guess. At least I'm safe. I should be safe. I'm not even sure what will happen after my first stop losses hit. Mm,
I got rid of the D already.
okay, okay.
If I would have came to the 5 minute before, I
Stop
would have.
filled.
I mean, I hadn't seen it, but man, I have the 800 and the 200 EMA sitting at the same spot, and that
Oh,
is at 3066. So that's also that's all. I mean,
say that again. 30 what?
uh, the 800 and the 200, I have them sitting at 366. Well, 800 is 366, and then
36.
200
Okay,
is.
okay, okay. Above. Okay.
So that would have definitely been a rejection if I came in here and seen that. Definitely, yeah. I mean, 800, 200 together, just that's almost impossible to pass through just like
I
that.
have 52, 40. That's 14 points. I need 15 more points to the downside. Uh, should have
Man,
probably. I should have
get
closed
it, bro.
it. Hmm. Oh.
Have you been watching any World Cup games?
I, I watched a little bit of Croatia yesterday, but I fell asleep.
Mm, they
Now
England,
we
right?
lost. Now we lost. Oh my God, we are pushing. I'm closing this. I'm taking my $1,200 here, and okay, I'm back at the. Okay, now I'm ready to go again. Yeah, I'm ready to go again. And there we go. Sell. Now my risk reward is
Order
better,
filled.
and yeah, okay. We want to go higher. Okay. Well, okay.
We might
We
honestly. I
just
mean,
tapped into like a double liquidity pocket on the well, I'm on the 5 minute, so but it's the same thing I was seeing on the 15 minute, but on the 5 minute. And we just tapped into a lot of liquidity. So if I was a buyer, I would have just went long. But again, there's more short sellers waiting at the top of that candle that we reject that the rejection started on. So I don't know. We're in this little zone, this little consolidation zone. There's a big fight happening.
Yeah,
I don't know if we're
that's for
gonna see
sure.
who
Yeah.
wins until after like when London finally opens. We'll probably see who wins.
Oh, oh my God. This was not a great move. Yeah. Okay. This was 3.5.
What we need right here after all these indecisive candles is a big engulfer, so we
That
can.
would be lovely, yeah. But it's
Uh,
playing, bro.
all right, what Donovan just said is spot on, bro. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
There's also, like he said, there's sellers here, but then there's the buyers defending that bottom really good.
Yeah, for some reason they do. After they let it come all the way down, and now they're protecting. But I'm not sure for how long they can keep up. Because they did not provide like a nice recovery, as you just said. We would need some kind of an engulfer engulfing candle. Um, yeah, we are entering that hour before the London opens, so
Oh yeah, we got 4 minutes till this hourly close. I just saw that. Just realized that. Let's go look at the 1 hour real quick. Well, we're still holding very nicely that 661.8. Based off this 1 hour, um, I mean, due to the previous one, the nine o'clock, or well, let's forget about the times, but the previous candle, hourly candle, you know how we wicked all the way and then it just came
mm-hmm,
back and then closed above the 6.18, and that
mm-hmm.
just think we can still keep pushing up until we can lose this 61.8. Then that's just my take.
I think we can go. Let's go to 400 now, right now. 50 points.
Sure. Maybe at the start of this new hourly, who knows?
Who knows?
Which honestly, I doubt it. Probably gonna chop around a little bit more.
Yeah, probably. Probably.
But get above this 3.7, that level 3.74 I told you. Well, we'll get it pretty quick.
Yeah, but we have 20 points just to get to that 374 now.
That's yeah. But that those points and then golfing on the 10 minute can easily give to us, which is trying right now. Oh, kind of.
All right, guys. I'm really liking that liquidity pocket that we hit. We are pushing.
Yeah, seems so, but
We still have a hurdle. We still got to get above that. Listen, until we get above 3080 with a 15-minute candle close,
yep,
we're not out of the woods.
yep.
We're not
Oh,
out of the woods. This could easily turn into a good short. Honestly, if I was I was looking for shorts where this 5 minute candle just topped out. That'd be where I do it.
Man, yeah, for
It's
sure.
just like such a tight area with so many like different biases right now.
Yep. Yep.
But the Bulls were winning before, so I'm gonna give it to the Bulls. I think they have oh
Whoa.
my gosh. Oh my goodness.
It's like
We
what
just
you
have.
As soon as I start praising them,
Oh, we
the
just have
Bears
the
like
candle. Yeah, just
future.
the candle just closed.
goodness gracious, guys, come on.
They heard you, bro. They're like, excuse you, what did you just
You
say?
like you talking about us?
Uh, uh, uh,
You talking about what you mean? You think we about to win? The sellers are right there, bro.
Uh, all right, you were still right though. You had just said that if you were uh there, you would go short there, and that's exactly
Yep.
right, bro.
Yeah. Yeah. No question. There
That's
was a pocket of sellers right
exactly
there.
where I
Like
went short.
Oh
Let's go.
wow,
Oh
that's
wow, let's go.
Nick, you be moving fast, bro.
Mm.
I
I
like it.
have.
I
I
like it.
have. How this guy said, like, the TV show, The Weakest Link, or how is it called in English? Yeah, The Weakest Link. Oh, you're moving fast. Well, with some things, I like to take my time.
that, bro.
If you know what I mean. And then
That,
the
hey man,
TV host was like, "No, I don't know what you mean. Yeah, I'm not surprised." The guy said,
oh
"I'm
my.
not surprised."
oh wow, I didn't even feel my
Yeah,
order. Hey.
there's a lot of sellers right there, guys. I don't know. I'm looking at the volume now. And we're at the beginning of a 5 minute candle and we already have so much fun. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of want to flip my position, bro.
Yep.
But I believe in the Bulls. I believe in them, but
Order
I
filled.
just I don't know. I don't know if
I
they
mean,
can
That's
handle
fine,
it.
but maybe they just need,
Order
just
filled.
a little bit lower.
we gotta have patience for this 5 minute candle at least to close, and if we can hold this level, it just wicked in, then we should be fine. Well, I mean, both should be fine. But if
Yeah.
we get
Yeah.
five
We need to
close,
close above. Yeah, we
yeah,
need to close. We need a candle body close right where the last 5 minute candle had to open in order for the Bulls to maintain control.
yeah,
What's crazy that we wicked down on, of course, on my 5 seconds, but we again just touched this 330 level that I marked yesterday, and we bounced like 13 points, 14 points.
yeah, that's good
Is that
support.
another
Crazy.
liquidity
Oh,
pocket?
that's
We
crazy.
just hit another. You know why we're pushing up? We just hit another pocket of buy orders. This is so weird.
Um,
There's a pocket of buy orders right over there from 1225.
and you know
It's
what I think
crazy.
about this whole time. You know, Jack always says the 1.8 never lies. We bounced right off the
Uh,
1 hourly six
Order
1.8,
filled.
bro. So
Wow.
so it's time for the Bulls to do their thing. Yeah, I don't know why I doubted them. We've been doing it all this time. I'm gonna. Oh my gosh, look at him go!
wow.
Look at him
Crazy.
go, bro. That's crazy.
Crazy.
How many people do you think they got right here, man?
You gotta
Wow,
believe him.
look at that.
I know they got me.
Shit, my
Woo,
gosh.
that's why I say 5 minute close. We gotta wait 5 minutes to the 5 minute close, and then if and yeah, 2 minutes.
But we just retested that pocket of sellers. So this is the big fight. This candle is where it's all going down. This is the
Man,
UFC
spot on.
championship.
Donovan really said it was a big fight going on here, bro. You're not wrong at all, bro. That's crazy, man.
Yeah, we hit the pocket of buyers, we hit the pocket of sellers.
Order filled.
A
I'm gonna
master.
go long.
Yeah.
I'm long right here. We're gonna have to break the low of this
Same.
candle to get me out of here.
Same.
Okay.
Mhm.
And then just where we rejected the top, that's where I told you guys I have the 800 and the 200 again. And it's
No
on this
word.
it's just the 5 minute, chart,
Yeah,
but
yeah, the 5 minute one, not the 15 minute one.
100 and the 200 together. That's just I still myself kind of
That
respect that.
means something.
Yeah, it's the 800 and 200 together. I mean, that's I mean, at some point, eventually you get it past it, but I don't know how many rejections we'll have off of it.
Yeah.
All right, the Bulls won, guys. It's a good look. Um, Tempted to add to this
One, two,
long.
4, 5, 6 rejections off of there so far. And if this one does the same thing, that's 7.
Hmm.
Bro,
Yeah,
but the slippage is crazy. I closed market close at 250, 250 gains, and my PNL shows minus 29. Imagine that.
that's crazy.
That's
Did you
crazy
have a
stuff.
limit order?
No market. That's why
Yeah,
probably.
yeah, yeah,
But still, like it's.
yeah. There's a lot of slippage, like you said. Geez, that's a lot of slippage, though, bro.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, 2 points. No, not 2 points more.
Man, these buyers are showing out, bro. That's crazy. Yeah, we really still need to break the high of that 1:30 a.m. candle for me. But just the high of this, kind of run, the bull run. There's still sellers sitting there. And then once we get into it, there's a thick little zone of resistance. It's not just any particular level. So from 380 all the way to 420, it's just it's going to be a struggle bus. But if we can push through that, we're going up.
There it is.
Stop
That
filled.
was
Oh
Oh,
man,
wow.
come on!
another rejection of that 800, 200 exact that I told you, man.
Oh
That's,
my goodness!
I guess it means something.
We're about to hit this zone of buyers again. Okay, I see what it's doing. Creating like a pennant, or it's not the pennant. It's the
Oh, wow.
Kamehameha. Hey Nick, it's the Kamehameha again.
Come
I'm gonna go long again here. I'm gonna try it one
Order
more time.
filled.
Careful, careful. I'm short, and I'm short
Because
on my
vol-
funded account.
the volume increased on the 2 minute here.
So I think we.
Yeah, yeah. I saw a nice little volume spike because there's a buyer pocket right here. I'm seeing if I get stopped out, that means the buyers don't have any juice left here. But this is where they've been stacking their orders at. So the absolute lowest it could go and still be bullish is 307. But
This is the biggest volume we've had in the last hour and a half or so.
yeah,
Well, I'm just looking at the 2 minute. Okay, I mean, don't quote me on.
That's more
yeah,
than enough for scalping. I mean, day trading. You are trading now. You're not trading previous week.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mm.
I just wanted to go to lower time frame to get a closer picture at this.
okay. There's a lot of people buying this bottom right here. I told y'all it's a lot
Yeah,
of orders here. There's a ton of orders here. And then there's new orders coming in too because they're stacking on top of the old ones. But yeesh, we're getting to the end of it. We're running out. Running out of buyers to defend this area right now. I don't like it. I gotta zoom out. Zoom out and see if we're gonna liquidity hunt more. Where would we go?
I have 313 and then new lows.
Yeah, new
No, no,
lows.
not new lows. 300 then 300. It's not new lows.
I say the 230s. If we break this low,
And
then
we
We
are
had
we could
320s
see
now.
the
We are bouncing
230s.
from 22. So, uh,
Mm,
we had a 5 minute close below that level that I told you guys earlier, so that makes me a little bit more like we have a little bit more downside. Um, TP1 is for me 317, and then the two is 285. TP2.
I'm taking my money. F it. I was too slow. I have to go again because this is not enough for the day to be profitable. But okay, that was a good call because we are bouncing now. Let's see for how long can we bounce.
we just hit that big pocket of buyers I told y'all about. Now we gotta see
Mm,
how big was it. How big was it? I think there's new orders coming in too off of the coattails of the that big pin bar that we had on the 5 minute where we first got the volume spike. You know, people are seeing that and getting a little confident in longs again. So fucking shit. Damn.
yeah, exactly. When I
I
foam
need a
out
little more
again.
confidence than that, guys. Like shit. Close above 340 or just get out of here.
Skedaddle.
Skiddle. Skiddle, guys. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You're flirting way too hard with my stop loss. Like price and my
I think
stop
this
loss
is.
need to cut
Let's
off
say
all
this is.
communication.
I feel like this is short the bottom situation.
Short
Well,
the bottom.
I'm not very certain because it's super choppy, but yeah. Well,
You know, if it's the Kamehameha pattern like I think it is, then you know we're gonna see the top of this range again. But it's just about what we do up there. I'm curious. I'm so curious. Oh man, are we gonna get a bullish? Even if we get a bullish engulfer, it's just gonna be a like if this were the strat, it would be 3, 2 to the downside, and this would be a inside candle. It's a 1 right now, but it could become a 2 if it pops out the top.
mm,
It could become a 2 if it pops out the bottom, but I highly doubt it becomes a 3. Oh my goodness. We are spending so much time down here.
not too much time.
But you got to admit, the Bulls are defending this area, these
Are
lows, pretty
trying.
well.
Yep, they are
This,
trying.
this isn't what flushes usually look like, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Heaviest trade of the session so far. Can I get my first 16 points to cover my last loss and a little bit more? Just a little bit.
That's the 61.8 right here.
We
This
bounced from the 20s again, guys. This is
probably a good take profit zone,
crazy.
right?
Oh, that's love right there.
Let's
Thank
Ah,
go.
you. Thank you.
Let's go.
Thank you. I'm about to
happy birthday.
trim. I'm about to trim. I mean, I think we're about to, but I'm about to trim. I don't trust anything right now.
That's
It's about
your
to
that's
be.
the market telling you happy birthday, Donovan.
What happened?
Because that's the market telling you happy birthday, bro.
Yeah, right. You know, you seen that meme with Queen Latifah from Precious where she's like, oh, and people are usually putting it on after they get like in a gold trade that you hit profit when you should have lost or something. Or like you jump down the stairs and then the knee comes out and the knee's like, all right, I let you get away with that shit this time and I let you
But
slide, but I really should have fucked you up. But please believe if I see you again, it's your ass. Yeah, I feel like that's the price action we're dealing with right now. It's like, yeah, I'll let you slide this time. Happy birthday, boy. But yeah, if you don't take
careful.
your profits, it's your ass.
Yeah, this sounds like the market right now.
Yeah, I'm trimming. I want at least $50. Okay. All right. I got it. Let me
Order
not get
filled.
greedy. I took my $50. I'm trimmed out, putting my stop at break even as I should. A little bit in profit though, of course. Of course. Of course. All right, now NQ, you can surprise everybody and just rip up. Rip it up.
Or
Mhm.
dump.
Or drop it like it's hot and someone turn on Snoop Dogg or something. Come on.
Stop filled.
Gosh, because. Okay, we just stopped me out in profits. Thank you. Hey, I'm no longer in a trade. Are you in a trade, Nick?
Yeah, I'm in a small short here. I'm trying, but I don't know, bro. This is playing with me big time.
I'll
I should
switch to
probably.
you because I'm not in anything right now.
No, you can, but this is, if I'm honest, not very representative right now. I need the flush now. I should probably go make myself another coffee and just cool off a little bit. Um, if we don't flush in 10 seconds, I'm gonna close it. Five, three, two, one. I'll give it 10 more because this it's trying to flush. It can push also. Um, there we go.
Oh, there we
There we
go.
go.
We need to bribe the market. We need to start putting some
Mm,
gold
yeah,
bars on the screen or
yeah,
something.
gold bar and juice. There we go. 300. There we go. There we go. Should probably remove. Should probably market. I will take half out here. Buy 10. Okay. buy, stop, 10. Wait, what? Oh, dang it. It did not take my, whoa, I cannot take profits on market. What the heck? Oh, I did it. Okay, I did it. And where I'm at right now, 34 plus. Okay, that's fine. So everything else is profits. Now I have to remove this 20, take profit, set it down to 10. And now we can flush. Are we gonna make new low of the session? I don't think so now. So,
No, we're respecting the 9 EMA on the 5 for the downtrend. So it
okay.
looks like, but the Bollinger Band is getting really tight. So however we break out of this consolidation is going to be it. We're still respecting the 618 though. So, you know, could still be bullish. Again, we're in no man's land right now. So this is that same pocket of buyers that we couldn't get below before.
I will just aim for half of this 1 hour wick that we have on the downside. I think that's realistic target.
I'm gonna
Without
try longs here just because the risk to reward. Oh fuck! No, I'm not. No, I'm
yeah,
not. It took off without me. The risk to
no,
reward was really good at the bottom of those candles. So
that is true. Oh,
Oh,
shit. Okay. All right.
let's go.
I'm
the boss came
going.
back. He's like, "Do you
Yeah,
want
it
to hop
came right. What the heck? Oh, I see what's happening right now. I know why it didn't work. Okay. Gave me a
on?"
second chance and I still couldn't take it. I'm going. I'm going
Order
in.
filled.
I probably shouldn't. Don't try this at home.
Mm-mm.
But I am long.
You could
And
go in
I'm
with
late.
40 tracks
I'm
and
t-
then just take two ticks. Take your profit.
yeah, I'm tardy to the party, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I should have been long a long time ago.
I'm about to get stopped in profit here. Small profit, but okay.
Yeah, this 9 EMA is like a tank right now. All right. Well, we just ran over a tank. We got armor piercing candles here.
Well,
Yeah, it's something
okay.
about that pocket of buyers down there. They are serious, like dead serious. Somebody's betting big on longs.
Is it you?
Yeah, it needs to be. It needs to be me. But it's I'm riding the coattails of whoever really was.
Now I want to go into, but I have to wait probably for a slightest pullback. Give me the 9 EMA and 14 SMA in 5 seconds. I will go in, but look at this go.
Yeah, Carlos really gave me the he pointed something out that helped me to determine that it was a good idea about that volume, man. Volume
Yeah,
really started picking up on that green candle there. So I think everyone who came after it was looking at that like it's all the reason I need. But now I think we have the momentum we need to push through the top of this thing. So that could be the local bottom. I'm looking for a push now to 3080.
mm, I go again.
3080, I'll take one off. I'll take the last one off at 3400. And we'll
And
just see how that goes.
365 is where I have the 800
there's
and the two
okay.
hitting.
It's a good
There.
spot.
Ah,
What's going on? What's going on, Nicholas?
nothing. All good.
Man, make the price go up, guys. Jeez.
Yeah, maybe if we were trading on the live account, we could impact that, but
Hmm.
since we are on simulation accounts, meh.
Hmm.
Yeah, I don't even know why I'm trying too long here now. Again, this is I gave all of my profits back. Uh, and a little bit more, right? Yeah, dang it. One last chance. Let's go. No, no. Okay. I'm done. I have one more here. Let's see now. This one has to be a good one. This has to be a good one. Mm.
And they're playing, bro. They're just going sideways and sideways and sideways, bro.
Yeah, now we are surprised, and we said that this will happen half an hour ago. So I don't even know. I know.
Yeah, yeah. We were moving it from 1 to 2, and now from two to three. It's just accumulation for the breakout.
Mm.
I mean, you can't deny we had usually a double bottom is bullish, right? But we had a quadruple bottom on the 4 minute.
Yeah.
It's like
So
I
I don't
don't
know if that's
know.
super bullish or bearish.
Yeah, that's. I don't think it gets more bullish than that, man. A
Let's go.
quadruple bottom. The bulls stood their ground for 4 candles in the same place.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Let's go.
I want longs from that, and I'm in. I'm in though. So
Me too. But
I forgot to add a stop loss. Isn't that something?
hmm,
Yeah,
that sounds that screams confidence.
exactly. Who needs a stop loss when you know you're right?
Stop loss. What is a stop loss?
What is this stop loss you speak of? Um, what's a loss you speak
You stopping me? You trying to stop me, bruv?
of?
There is no stop loss that can stop me.
Yeah. I don't even know what this word you're saying means,
No,
loss. I
I don't.
don't think I've ever heard that.
I don't speak French.
Once again, I don't want to get annoying, but just keep in mind the 800 and the 200 is at 365 right here.
265. Okay, then it's
Yeah, that's
perfect
where
time
we've
to
been
dream
rejecting
here.
from. We've been rejecting it
Seven,
over and over.
Yeah, but
I
we're
think
seven,
it's
pushing,
finally time we take it on.
yeah,
a
pushing
se-
nicely.
750 on my funded account. I'm taking that. I don't care, bro. I
Oh, that's
learned
great, bro.
hard way.
Congrats. Congrats on
Yeah.
that. That's love.
But
You're getting
it
out of
should have been
drawdown.
better. It should have been better. So I realized 490. No, it's I don't know. I don't know. How do you say? Not front run, but I round tripped this session. Only because I was impatient. So okay, not a big deal, but
Oh yeah, we all been there.
uh, I will take 3 more contracts here. Leave 2 runners.
We need a
That's now realize 620. That's good. Um,
we just need this candle close up here, man. Los, if we can get a candle close above your 1 in 800.
You know what, guys? It's time for me
Well,
to grab a coffee. I think this
I,
we're gonna stay here a little longer, so I just go make myself
All right, I'll
coffee.
take over. I'm actually in a trade right now. I'm up pretty
Let's
good.
go.
So
Yeah, I just have a runner. I'm aiming for 400s, and then I will see what happens. So
I'd like
yeah,
to see close above a 374 level, which is the level I told Nicholas I have. I mean, I have the 800 and the 200 at 365, like I told you, showing on the 5 minute. But I have a level myself that I've marked out, which is at 374, and that's what I'd like to see above, like
don't
at
worry.
least.
We're probably gonna reject the 80s now that we're finally getting through all the other levels. We're gonna reject the 80s.
That's what we rejected earlier, actually, right? Or yeah, three. Yep, right around here, right where we touched right now. That's what we rejected at. That's right now. We look like we're gonna push.
Ooh, that is so good right now. Okay, it's not looking good for sellers right now, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Uh, uh,
Sellers got to be shaking in their boots. Like,
got a minute for this 5 minute candle, and if we can close like this, and that's gonna be good, bro. We're gonna get the
that's gonna
full.
be really good. But now we're right in that sweet spot with all the people who were trapped long. They can close their longs at any minute, and that could bring in a shit ton of selling pressure.
Right.
But as long as they have confidence it's going higher, they're just gonna hold. But as soon as we start to see a pullback, it's gonna get aggressive so fast.
Hmm. So we got a 5 minute candle close above my 374 level. I don't know how much that means, but just throwing it out there.
It's very good. It's very, very good. But okay, just be
Oh,
careful. If price gets under 367, it's gonna be a problem.
actually, it's very good because it's not only a 5 but a 10 minute candle close above that level. So
It's a 10 to 15 minute and a 5 minute candle.
15 minute just closed also. Oh wow. Oh wow. Yeah, that's very good. As long as we can hold this the
As long as we hold above 67, we're good.
mm-hmm.
But don't
That
let
eight.
price go under 67. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put my stop loss right there because if it goes under that, it's a wrap
Where did you put it?
at 67.
Okay. I was gonna say we can
Well,
possibly.
I'm gonna do 64. I'm gonna give it a little bit of room. I'll do 64. But if it
Um,
goes under 67, it's gonna get ugly really fast.
Hey, did you crash the market, guys, or
I think
pumping it?
if I think we could possibly hit 360 and still hold, but if we lose that, then because the 800 and the 200 move to 360, the 200, and then that's pretty much support now. It was resistance. It's
Mm-hmm.
now I
Mm-hmm.
that after this
Yeah,
big nice candle that we just got, bullish candle, and we should be good.
we should be good.
So it's time to add, huh? Okay. Sellers.
Uh, bro, you're a quick thinker, bro. I appreciate that about you. Because it's like I'm over here worried about stuff, and usually right after it takes
Ooh.
off, I'm like, oh, I should have added there. But you're thinking about it at the right time, for sure.
That's the
Yeah,
800, right?
well, I added. What the
Exactly.
heck?
That's the 800. That's the first support.
Oh,
Well,
that's so perfect, bro. So
bro,
perfect.
if you can see
Levels
my
holding
chart,
on.
you can see how perfectly my chart looks where it touched that 800. It's like this. Yeah, that's why I love the
Mm.
800, especially when they're together.
Okay, I added, and I'm aiming for whatever 400, 390, 450, whatever, somewhere around there. But if I see
Okay.
400 profits, I'm closing because I don't want to go like too much over 1,000 PNL per day because of the 50% consistency rule, right? Um,
Yeah, we don't want you making too much money now.
yeah, exactly. Because then it's tricky, and if I had my limit, at least for now, because after some gains, you switch to level two, so then your limit goes from 2 contracts to 3 contracts. So then okay, then fine. But with 2 contracts to make more than 1,000 a day consistently is a little bit difficult.
That's right.
Um,
Difficult for us, but for you, that's a piece of
no, with two, bro. No, I mean, mm, I, yeah, with 50, when I can go 50 contracts in, and it's not a problem. 1,000, like it's, I mean, what, like 8 points, 10 points, something like that. So that's doable. That's more than doable. But with 2 contracts, it's a little bit more.
cake.
It's trickier. But I don't think this was a perfect ad, and I don't want to. I mean, it was a good ad, but the price is not behaving. So I'm ready to
Yeah,
close this.
here
I
we
closed
go.
Stop
it.
Here we
filled.
go. I
I
told you we broke
closed
that
it. Yeah.
67.
Oh wow,
Careful.
200 right here.
Yeah,
200
yeah.
EMA fast.
Yeah, we broke that 67, bro. We
One minute
about to
to this.
come see about these EMAs or the next stop.
So the stream is on your screen, right?
We got a
Yeah,
minute.
I can do some things now
yeah,
just
you're
quickly.
safe. You're safe to do some
Safe and
things, my lad.
sound.
Okay. Uh, yeah, I don't know if we don't reclaim. I mean, we can reclaim it.
We
We
got
need to
1 minute,
reclaim
but
67 and some more shit, but
we got
yeah,
5 minutes, and then if we're gonna push, we're gonna have to push on this next 5 minute candle.
is
Uh
that
huh.
just a liquidity sweep, or are we about to? I don't
It's
know.
a
I think we're going to see the bottom of the range, but I'm not saying we're about to reverse. But I just think we're gonna.
the bottom. You mean
No,
where we were at earlier?
you know
Yeah.
what? This
Look,
could be a push right here.
look. We came to close this 5 minute candle right above my 800.
Yeah, it's still anybody's game right now. I don't like this game they're playing. I don't like this game they're playing. No, no, no.
Okay.
Like
I just need to log out here quickly and
If
log
we come
in
too
back
much
in.
lower, we're gonna get some aggressive selling.
it's
Don't do it.
like
Oh shit. I'd
what
be
I'm.
afraid. I'd be afraid.
Damn.
Yeah, wait, at the 9 EMA, the 9 EMA, the 9 EMA. We're not there yet. This is the first touch after that long. You know what? This is a good entry. This is a good entry. I'm gonna go in with very small size. It's not a great entry, it's a good entry. Oof. Oof.
I just got filled also.
What
Okay.
is that? A
All right.
rider?
Little lower. A little,
Wait a
just
minute.
not a lot lower, but a little lower.
Not too much.
Not too
Purchase
much.
payment
Bop, bop,
history.
bop. Bop, 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 bop,
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
bop, 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 bop. Oh, look at that push. Kick, push, ghost.
I just
Order filled.
Oh my gosh. So Tradeovate does this thing sometimes where my screen is lagging and it'll give me double the contracts that I asked for.
Mm.
that
So
sucks.
Is that when
yeah,
you don't see the order and then so you place it again, but both orders fill?
I only click once, but it registers
Uh,
my click twice. So I don't know. It's weird.
this happened to me where I placed the limit order and I don't see it, so I place it again and it ends up filling up like double the or whatever amount of contracts.
Mhm. Crazy work. I'm glad it was only one contract, so now I'm in for two instead of one. But geez,
Well, long, huh? I'm trying on. Wow, see, I enter and it dumps. Okay, I think I won't be done. No, no, no. We are just getting started. How do you feel that we prolonged this session today? You still have energy, or you have to get up tomorrow?
uh, fuck. Yeah, I'm still up. I'll be up for a little minute. Um, so I mean, we could do till 3, or we can get ready to cut it off. You know,
Whatever.
like one final
Fine.
trade or something. Whatever's clever. Come to a consensus here.
I'll be gone in a
Mm,
few, guys.
It's 2:30 in the morning here for Los. It's probably about 1:30,
mhm.
right? So
For me, no, it's 11:30. But I mean,
oh
Oh,
shit, yeah, you're on the
yeah.
west. I thought you were in Texas for some reason. So yeah, you got 11:30 over there. That's cool. All
Let's
right,
yeah,
well,
go. Let's go take the highs again.
I think we just did all the aggressive selling that we're gonna do. The
yeah,
buyers just stepped up at the top of that consolidation and saved me from getting stopped out. So that was cool.
and we're also coming to the end of a 10 minute candle close, so you know what they like
Mhm.
to do, right
Oh,
before 10 minutes.
sheesh. Okay.
They told me to shut up.
That's funny.
Uh,
They say. gave a bird, not to a pussy, so I'm ready to try again. That did not
Stop
sound
filled.
Okay.
right.
It just came and slapped my stop loss. Of course it did. Of course.
You did your stop loss and it's ready to go.
Yeah. Yeah, I see it. I see what it's up to. I see exactly what it's up to. I just think it should come lower though. If it's gonna come lower, it's and take me out. It needs to come a little lower so I can have better risk reward because I'm not done. I have a lot of confluence that says that we're still going up. It's just we hit a nice little pocket of sell orders that we need to address. And they're gonna do what they do. And then we're gonna go right back up. I think we can come as low as here. Okay, actually, oh, okay. I see where I need to be now. I see where I need to be now. That's good. That's good. Okay, so I want to go along here. Oh, it's almost there. So I'm long at 30341.75. I'm not wicked in yet, but I'm about to be. Just come on a little lower, a little bit lower. It already touched it, so it needs to touch it one more time.
Bro,
Order filled.
Okay, I'm in. I am in, and that's it. It's my last trade.
let it be great.
Oh yes, my 5 to 1 TP brings me to
Bro, this is
416.
crazy.
Yeah, yeah.
What moves, bro? Like,
No one knows. No one knows if this is gonna cook or not. But it looks good. It looks good. Oh my goodness. Yes, there's a pocket of buy orders right here. Oh, there's another one. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Okay. I don't think we're gonna touch that one again. That would not be a good look. If I get stopped out, you might want to flip to shorts. But we'll see. Excellent risk reward on this trade. I
yeah,
honestly
I
want to
agree.
add to
What are
it.
you aiming to the highest 85 or?
I'm aiming for 304. Yeah, 30400.
Oh, for 400. Okay.
I really like it. I really like this trade actually. So yeah, I really like this trade. This will be good.
I don't know how you call these levels out, bro, but they pay, so
Alright.
I guess doesn't even matter.
I just paid the price of patience, man.
There we go. Lovely.
All right. Is it going to give me a chance to add? Because I really want to add. I want to add below 303.40. So if I can add below 303.40, I will. If not, if you're long and your entry is below 303.40, you're about to cook. I'm excited
I'm
to.
341. Well, dang it.
Yeah,
I wanna cook
I'm
too.
at 303.41.75, but
Mm, You said 341.75 or 340.75.
341.75. I want to get in at
Bro,
340.
bro, we have the same exact uh entry.
Yeah, and great minds, bro.
Huh? Bro.
Price was also
Okay.
hovering around there for a decent amount of time, but hey.
Oh, bro. Let's go. Let's go.
Mhm.
I see the comment that
Fuck is that?
Rando
Yeah,
trader.
yeah. He was talking about the volume of the microphone. I started talking about the volume
Oh,
on the Asia session. So,
uh, okay. Hey, we got 8 people watching right now, or
yeah,
how
but
many?
no, we don't have. We have 8 lurkers that doesn't know how to say hello. So,
It's fun. Yeah, or hit the like button or
hit the like.
subscribe.
And you
You
know what? You
know,
don't have to click the like button. Just say hello.
you don't have to say hello. Just hit the like button.
Just-
Nah.
At least do
Hey,
one thing.
did you guys see that?
Somebody's sending hearts. Is that you,
Oh,
Carlos?
that's me. So, how do you see this right now? Remember the day that I was in here off of
Yeah.
the time of my wife's account, and I was trying to get your attention, commenting like so many times.
Yeah, but
Uh,
I did not
I
have
was doing that, bro.
the
I
chat.
was in hearts all over the place, and you guys wouldn't even notice, man.
No, because I didn't have the chat open. No, well, actually, we have 7 people
Oh.
watching, but that's 3 of us, probably.
Hey, that means there's 4 more other days, man. That's
Yeah,
man, good.
that's okay. This was probably my take profit. I will take half of the position here. Thank you. Now you can run.
Oh my gosh, man. This is
Mm,
a
Oh
perfect
wow,
morning
love it.
star.
that's crazy, bro. I just came back.
Yeah, this
I
is a perfect one.
I was like, I don't know how to get stopped out. I'm looking. I was gonna say I was like a tick away, but that thing wicked down to my stop loss and it didn't stop it out. I don't know what happened.
Doesn't matter, you're still in.
Yeah, I'm still in, and now I'm up 200. But
No.
I was down like 280 right there. Where
Oh, don't worry. I think we're gonna see the moon. We're
Let's go.
about to
Let's
go check
freaking
out the
go.
moon real quick. Get your flags ready. We're about to go put a flag on the moon real quick.
Let's go to the Mars
a
immediately.
Mexican flag ready tomorrow. Mexico play against
Mm.
South Korea.
Oh, okay,
Okay,
okay.
that should be a good one.
That
I
is gonna be.
remember like few years back when we won like second place, I believe. I don't know if it was European or World Cup, but bro, the whole city, the whole country was celebrating like crazy.
Oh, Croatia, huh? I remember that. I
Yeah.
think.
I
Is
remember I did the craziest burnout ever with my car.
it-
That's dope.
That was fun. But now
Who
would I
was
do
this
it
final?
now? No, with my daily car, probably wouldn't do it. But
Who was
that
this final? Nicholas, do you remember?
what?
Who was this final against? It was a World Cup. I remember. It was a World Cup, I believe.
I don't remember with whom. To be honest, I don't remember.
I think it was France.
Yeah,
I believe.
yeah, could be, could
It
could
was,
could have been. Yeah, because that World Cup, I think we threw out the Brazil. I think that was it. Wait, now it's 2026. That was like, well, I think 10 years ago or 8 years ago.
yeah, that was
Did
eight
you
years ago.
say
Yeah, 8 years ago.
2026?
Yeah.
2026 is right
Yep.
now. So
Yeah.
yeah.
So 2026, I'm just I know I had that car like 8, 9 years ago. So yeah, I probably so that was probably yeah. 2 World Cups ago.
Oh
Yep.
man, okay.
It was the 2018 Russia World Cup that you guys lost
Yeah.
against France. Yep, I remember that one.
Yeah. Well, you know what? I will take 20 more bucks, then 330, and there we go. And I will market sell 4 more contracts because that's my market sell. There we go. I have one runner. Have one runner if I calculated things right.
Yeah, we're
Well,
about to
dang it,
cook
I
right
missed
now.
50 more bucks. I was a little bit too early to secure 1,000 bucks on this account. And it's a funded one. You know what? 1,000 bucks is enough. I'm done with this account.
Yeah, we're back in the struggle bus area right here. This is
Now I'm gonna full port short. No, I'm
there's
just
like a
kidding. I won't.
there's a thick area of resistance here that we need to slow. It's gonna be a slow push through. It's not gonna be anything quick.
All right, I got stopped out on profits. I'm gonna take off, bro. I gotta get some sleep.
Sounds good, bro.
All right, Los, take
Sounds
care,
good.
bro. Thanks for showing up.
Yeah, you guys keep it going. Have a good night, man, or have a good day, Nick.
Mhm.
Thank you. Have a good one, bro. I've been in since 30,376 at 1:30 a.m. Bro, shout out to you, CGM Anderson. Bro, hello.
Yeah,
Finally. Hello.
it's been
Welcome.
doing nothing but chopping, right? It's crazy.
Yeah.
1:30 a.m. Yeah. Okay. So
Mhm.
you were in since back here. Okay, you were in a little bit of drawdown, but you were in a little drawdown, but that was a good entry. That was
Definitely
a
not a bad
good
one, huh?
entry.
No. But
I
welcome
know
to
he
the
was
stream.
sweating bullets. He was sweating bullets from 2 o'clock all the way to 2:30.
Wait, 370. So you round trip everything. You came down, you came back up. What the heck?
Yep, but he's
Uh,
holding because he's trying to catch this breakout that we're about to
he's
do.
he's I don't want to say paying the price of patience, but yeah, sort of.
Hmm. Whereas I got in, I took profit, and then I got back in again right around his entry. So I got lucky and got to re-enter, but I took a measly one contract and then instantly regretted it. Saw how good my entry was and was like, I probably should have went a little heavier. But the market always knows, hey, when I go one contract, you should
Yeah.
probably go 10. When I go 10 contracts, you should probably go
Probably
one.
one, maybe two.
Yeah, right. Maybe two.
But I'm short. I'm short. Let's see.
I'll be careful here because this is
Yeah,
there's
yeah.
right now there's
I
buyers
know.
stacked up
Yeah.
at 370. There's a ton of buyers stacked up.
Mm. I can't wait that I'm able to run the book map again because I just got used to it. I not even. I just started learning it and adjusting things to that, and then my computer said, not today, not
Not
today.
today.
So
Yeah, we just visited those lows and they came up really quick. So we
yeah,
could come back lower, but I think we're gonna make an abnormal high first. I say we could go to 3,400. We could go to 400 before we dip back to the bottom of the trend line. Um, there's a volume point of control right there too. So I think there's a lot of TPs lined up right there. You might want to
mm,
take profit at like 33.98 to be safe.
yeah.
Taking a couple points off, you
Before
know.
the, okay, I'm close my short. I'm long. I'm long. I'm short. I'm short. I'm long. not the way to go, but
Rabbit season, duck season, rabbit season, duck season.
Anderson, I was using the 30-minute chart. I was thinking TP 3400 question mark. Yeah, I mean absolutely not a bad place to TP if you can leave a runner and put your I mean not financial advice, right? But we are talking about 400 now for quite some time, and we keep rejecting at 380s. So I guess now when we visit the 400s, we might have a follow through, like push above. But let's see. And
I
by the way,
think,
we have a London Open in 5 minutes. Sorry to interrupt, but yeah.
yeah,
So
no,
let's
you're right.
let's let's see. But
I
definitely
think
400 is definitely a good place to TP something.
I think it's at least like you said, like a good place for a TP something, like maybe a TP1. I do think we can go further
Mm-hmm.
than 400. If we break out 400, is pretty much the breakout area, right? But
Mm-hmm.
we're not going to come to the same place. Usually going to go like 15, 20 points higher. I'm pretty sure we're going to reject around 420,
Let's go.
so but it doesn't mean that that's the top.
Yeah.
We're going to touch that and then do some kind of rejection. So,
Yeah, my
but
tip is 415, so I would like to see
yeah,
420.
yeah, I'm at 416. So, I mean, like, there's a low volume node right above that. And probably going to have a nice rejection around like 418, 420. So, yeah, but 400 is cool. But if you got more than one contract, you can scale out in the 400s in general, like maybe 405, 410, whatever. Just make sure after you hit your first TP, you move that down, stop loss up, way up.
Yeah. I mean, there is two strategies with moving stop loss, or maybe even three. But at some point, what I was doing, I mean, obviously, I'm not doing it right now, so it's not a recommendation. It's just a topic to discuss. For example, if I went heavy and I wanted to risk, let's say, $100, my stop loss had to be tight, right? But then I
Hmm.
would TP1, I would take half or more of a position out, and then to risk the same, and I already made more than $100. So to risk still like $100, I can even put my stop loss lower, right?
Hmm.
Further away. So I'm still risking same amount of money. I made some money, but that all
Hmm.
depends on whoa, 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 whoa. What?
Whatever you're saying, the market likes it. We just popped through the
Okay, I
80s.
mean,
Like,
I will remove my stop loss completely. I mean, just go. Oh my God, that's 2200. I have to TP. Wait a minute. Trading view, come on, don't do this to me now.
yeah,
Uh,
that's crazy. What did I just say? Yeah, I think we're gonna hit the 400s on this run. Bam,
55 sell.
there it
Okay,
is.
I'm out. I'm out.
So,
A bunch of
Mr.
contracts.
Manderson, I hope you're scaling out right now.
Yes, sir. 400, 402, 404 we touched, I
402,
think.
404. I need 416. I'm gonna
Let's
need I'm
go.
gonna need a little bit more. Come
Let's
on, NQ.
freaking go. Just be
Come on.
careful because London opens in 2 minutes and it could reverse initially, right?
Absolutely. It sure could. You know what? I'm not greedy. I'm not greedy.
No, I don't
I
know
can
what
I
that
can
means,
take
bro.
this. This has been a magnificent move. I'll
Yeah.
take it.
Order filled.
403,
Market
402,
sell.
for
I'm
anything.
taking
Oh, look at
also
that.
five
Oh my
contracts. I
God.
have
That was perfect.
nice.
Price push right before I press
Let's
exit.
go,
That
baby.
was so perfect.
Congratulations. I'm doing Apex Evo 5 accounts, only using one
Let's
contra. Whoa,
go,
cashed
baby.
out. Nice. Let's freaking go. Congratulations, brother. Let's go.
Cashed out.
Wonderful trade. Wonderful trade. Wonderful.
And look at
I
that. It hit
have
my
five
TP.
runners.
Just hit my
I will
TP.
take three
Perfect.
more. Yeah, if I was a little bit more patient, but again, I didn't want to be greedy, I would have passed the eval, but I am okay with this too. I secured 1500, so I need to make 1500 more on this one. So it's been a good session, bro. I made $1,000 on the funded one. I hit one. loss limit on the other funded one. I blew one account and I almost funded the second one. So altogether green. So okay. And I'm really
Not too.
going with these evaluations. I go aggressively. If I take 5 accounts, I want to fund at least two, maybe 3 accounts, and then take it slow. And this week has been super crazy for me. I was back home. I was running around, more or less after our sessions. So next week I'm gonna take it much slower in terms of position size and just letting trades play out. But this was
I'm
wonderful trade, wonderful.
I'm gonna short this right here.
Mm, not
Fuck.
not a bad place to do so. And those are 20s again, so yeah, why not?
I was trying to step in front of this train at like 26 was great, but I don't like it here. I don't like it here at all. Give me the 26. Just go back up there one more. Can I get 28 now? Am I asking for too much?
No, I think we are about to come a little bit, but I don't know. Hey, London Open, so uh, could be a good short scalp for initial
Yeah,
initial
exactly. I
reaction.
just
Initial
I just
reaction
want to
was
scalp it to the breakout, but we're gonna have some support right at 400 flat, and then the next level of support is at 382. So if we can get 28, it's gonna take like 7 minutes or something, but it's gonna come down a little bit to start to touch these supports and look for liquidity. And the bottom of the trend line could bring us all the way back to the 350s. So London Open could push us down to like the 350s real quick. But again, I'd be looking for longs if we can touch like 354. If we can touch 360 in this little area here, I'd be looking for longs. In the perfect world, we don't even come back that far
yeah,
because there's a
yeah.
lot of consolidation.
But
And
bro, we are trading NQ, so what is a perfect world?
yeah, good point. Good point. Well said. You know,
Thank you, and congratulations once again to Mr. Anderson. Patience paid off. So smash that like button, subscribe, click the bell button, notification, whatever it is. We are live every day at midnight Eastern, 6 a.m. Central European time. So whatever works for you.
mm-hmm.
Actually, every day from Tuesday to Friday. Monday we have off from live stream. Um, but yeah,
Mm-hmm.
uh, share, like, subscribe. Um, yeah, and help us grow this account to at least. Uh, what would be our what should be our first subscriber goal for our first
I
giveaway? Like
like.
500.
I think 500 is the golden pocket, right? Let's get to 500, 1500, and 5,000.
I agree.
I think
Okay.
those would be the first three, right?
So share the channel with your friends. Make your parents, grandparents, children, girlfriends, boyfriends, whatever. Subscribe. It will help us. It will help you if you want to get a free account. Um, yeah, let's go to grow together. We are super hyped about this. We started this channel because we were trading anyway, so we just wanted to share our journey with everyone who are interested. And yeah, let's go.
And just do us a favor. Get this. If you got any value at all from this stream, any value at all, if you like our levels we're calling out, you just like our enthusiasm, or you just like listening to our voice, hit that like button, man. Subscribe, bro. Just
Nice.
hit it. Just tap that like button.
Yeah.
It don't cost you a thing. It's a little tip tap, but
Yeah.
it's gonna help everyone. Okay, I'm going short
Order
right here.
filled.
Hell yeah.
No, short, bro. Careful.
Yeah. Oh
Help.
yeah, I'm stepping in front of a train, and I probably shouldn't. It's not a great
Uh,
idea, but we haven't rejected the 20s yet. All right, if we get to 430, probably
mm.
was a bad idea.
Look, Asia high is at 439, so you might take that first and then maybe reject because our first move on London Open is up, so we might then have a pullback. But I would say we take, since we are so close, we take quickly the Asia high and then we can go down. Just my opinion. Well,
You could
thank you,
be
Mr.
right.
Anderson. He says, "Nice job, gentlemen. I'll be on 9 a.m., 1:30 p.m., 6 p.m." Okay, I don't know which time zone, but okay, you will find us here, I guess.
Hmm. Yeah,
Um,
I'm thinking 9 a.m., 1:30, and 6. Okay, cool.
Stop
okay.
filled.
I don't know
Uh,
what time zone either, but okay. I'm stopped out. It was a terrible
yeah,
idea.
I took one more contract out. I have one runner here, and I will let that go. Probably just why not?
Note
But
to self,
we are about to take. You
the
know that's
highs of the session.
1700. I will close this. I'm out of the position,
I'm
and
curious about.
we just came like two ticks away from the Asia high.
Oh yes, man. I knew I should have swung some longs, swung some calls. Um,
Well, as you know what, there is still a lot of time before New York, so who knows what will happen.
oh man, I think I'm waiting for penny stocks to open up at 4 a.m.
Okay.
4 a.m. Eastern time. New York opens up for some penny stocks, and I want to see the top movers of the day. So there's something going on now with SpaceX has a bunch of smaller companies that support the supply chain, and there's
Uh,
a lot of talks about either SpaceX or Wall Street buying up these really small penny stocks that support the
okay.
space race. A lot of people aren't talking about it, so
Okay.
there's a chance to get in early. But you're seeing some of these tickers. I'm
Can
gonna
I
look.
just interrupt you for a
Yeah,
moment?
yeah. What do you
It
got?
just it seems on NQ just tapped the Asia high, but M and Q came two ticks below it, so this might be the short.
Yeah, I missed it. Well, I was
Just
thinking.
let's wait. I want to go short here too. Where is my M and Q now? There we go. Let's turn this off.
Here we go. We're rejecting the 20s. I don't know though. I don't know. I think we're gonna come kiss that 9 EMA. No, we just touched it. So I
I
don't
mean,
know.
and I'm not even sure I need what 1300, 1250. That's doable, but I need it to go down now.
Oh my gosh, you'll never guess what stock was trending. The sleep number. I used to see the commercials for sleep number beds. They're up
Okay,
big.
really? Never
I don't
heard.
know. They sold off really quick though. Okay. I wouldn't buy that. Oh, that don't look good.
I think I was a little bit too early with the short. Maybe not. Let's see.
Should have got in at the 30s, man. In the 30s would have been sweet.
Look, I entered at 419.75, so I just need. I'm already up 5. That's 13. That's 6. So 12 more points. 12.
If I were
402, I
scalping, I'd
guess.
be looking
400.
for maybe 400 flat. It would be a good
Yeah,
scalp.
yeah, exactly. That's my TP.
Hmm. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you'll get that. It'll probably go to like 399 or something.
Uh, I just have to
Possible.
make sure it doesn't stop me before.
Hmm. Sadat Group. Sadat Group. Under trade well. Hmm.
Well, where are we now? Okay, 15. Well, I don't know. Oh, dang it. Okay, it stopped me. But I think I want to try it. Oh, I'm not sure I want to try it again right now. It was a good risk to reward. Let me just check. 14. Oh, okay. And of course, it took a little bit more than I wanted, but that's fine. I was ready for it.
I think we're about to push it high though, bro.
Yeah, it
Buyers
looks.
are buyers are showing off like they're still in control. And we just made a liquidity pocket that if we do push up, buyers are going to come back and buy back in at this level. It's not that good, but it's good.
I'm short again, but my stop loss is way too high. Um, so I'm trimming as the price goes down. My stop loss is going down too. Let's see. Continue, please. Shall I? Okay, that's nah. Okay. Mm, okay, good. I can put my stop loss almost to break even, and I allow you now to go to 400. I have to allow the price action to do what it needs to do. If we are chasing, then it probably won't happen. So I will be generous enough to allow her to do whatever it wants to do. If that makes sense. You still here?
Yeah, I'm still with you.
Oh, okay, okay. I'm just
I'm
checking.
kind of
Okay.
zoned out. I
Yeah,
gotta
yeah,
lie.
yeah.
I'm
That's good.
thinking
That's
about
good.
my friend's son called me and he was like his throat hurts. So he
Hmm.
wants some medicine for his throat, but he doesn't want to take like traditional medicine and I'm like
Okay,
Mr.
okay.
Holistic guy, so I'm thinking
Mm-hmm,
like
mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go to the store and get some elderberry to take this kid
Oh, yeah.
because he looks up to me and got
That's
love for
nice.
the kid.
That's nice.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
One thing I like to do when my throat hurts, I just gargle. How do you say gargle?
Salt.
Some salt and water. Yeah,
Yeah,
that helps
gargle
every
some salt
single
and water.
time. Let's go. You see what happens when you allow the price action to do what it needs to do? Uh,
Yeah,
I should
I
probably
like that. I like
take
that.
some profits here. I need 800 more, so 1600
Oh, that
altogether.
was
Let's
good.
go.
That's good.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, so right here,
Let's
I
go.
want to add, I want to
Let's
go
go.
long. Oh, let this
How is
be a good
this
trade.
1200? How is this
Here we go. One
1300?
more,
It
one
should
more,
have
one
been
more,
more.
one more, one more, one more. Here we go. Go, 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 go. Hey.
Order filled.
All right. I'm long. I'm long right here.
Market
It's going to be
30.
tough to break that 400 level.
Buy.
There's a lot of buyers that should be waiting right here.
Buy. I closed 30 contracts.
Oh
Where
my
I'm sitting
goodness.
at. Oh, but this was. Bro, I need 500 more. How? 500 more. How is that possible? How is that possible? Hmm. You know how is that possible? Because when I set my TP and when I entered, of course, slippage happened and it completely changed my PNL.
Hmm.
But okay, I need so 230, 200 more. I'm 250 up, so I need to see 450. So, but this is not, that's 20, 30 more points. I don't think I'm gonna get that right now. I took too many contracts out. Well, you never know, but
Wow, we are flirting. Come on. I think I'm gonna get stopped out, but maybe not.
Stop
Yeah,
filled.
I'm stopped out.
what? But bro, I mean, look at the. I mean, I don't know even if you can look at the 5 seconds. Perfect head and shoulders play out of the Asia high. We swept the
Mm,
Asia highs, head and shoulders. We came down, and now potentially now maybe a little bit lower, and maybe 80s, and then
mm.
maybe long. But I would be careful still with longs.
Yeah, we
And
already did everything we were looking for to the bullish side, right? Like
yeah,
it could go sideways until the New York Open, and that would be completely acceptable.
I will take 3 more contracts here because I already got a nice move.
Yeah, this is
So
where I
yeah,
wanted to go
there's
long.
no
It's
need.
just I was
52,
wrong.
Order filled.
700. I'm up 100. If I close this trade, then I need 200 more. Maybe I add a little bit here, or what should I do? What I have 2 contracts. What if I add 8? And I said I need 200 more. No, yeah, this is potential long.
I'm in. I'm in at 390, 350.
Mm,
Oh my goodness. The sellers, where are the sellers coming from?
You know what? I
Yeah,
added to
no.
my short here.
Somebody's taking profit, or I'm trying to look for
Mhm.
who's aggressively selling this thing. Okay, it was the
Right
high of the
there.
session.
$150 more, so I need to see 300 on my PNL, and I'll be out. And I'll be out. It's 200. Double bottom with slight bull days on 5 second, not confirmed yet though, so I'm not doing anything right here.
Consolidate and push up.
I'll just put
Consolidate.
my stop loss here, more in profits. Okay, I got stopped out in profits, and I have 2 runners again that will get probably stopped very soon. And then, so now we have, I think this was a, well, I don't want to say anything. Let's see. It will chop around. When we still have these 7 people watching, so hello again. Feel free to say hello. Morning, good evening, good night. I don't know. Say
Whatever
something.
time it is for you. We
Don't be a
appreciate
lurker.
you. Thank you for coming out. Thank you for watching. Thank you for
Oh, wow.
okay.
Wow. Okay.
No thank you to this price action.
Thank you. No, thank you. I should have not put my stop loss in profit because that would have been my TP and I would have been funded. But okay. Now I want to do it again. $150. Can we come a little bit lower here? Come on.
About to hit the 80s.
Yeah.
My stop loss is at 80.25, so it's really gonna have to push if it wants to get me up out of here.
Mm, what just happened? Oh, I got stopped again. How? But how did I get stopped? No, okay, now fine. So I need 230, $250, $223. That should be easy. Now, and I might do that with a long scalp. Okay, let's just give me like break out and then pull back. Okay, we are breaking out now, pull back, and I will go long for just for $230. If I went in immediately, I would already got it. That's fine.
I ain't even making it happen.
Now on a pullback. Now we're gonna pull back down to the EMAs in 5 seconds, and I will go in. That's a 9. That's a 9. Let's go a little bit lower, just so my stop loss. No, it doesn't want to go lower. Okay, I'm in. Now I need it. Now I need it to continue. My risk
Cooking.
reward is close to 1 to 1, so not the greatest, but not the worst. And see, it gave me 14 at the end. Oh, and I'm stopped out. Okay, I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
that was a
I'm
nice. That was
sorry.
an interesting little pullback there. I need. I'm up
See,
maybe 10 points. I want to see us sweep the highs. I want higher highs now.
it stopped me and it's going. It's okay. I don't want to buy here. A little bit higher here. TP. Come on, just a small push now. Nothing crazy. I would be. I would appreciate it. I mean, I guess I just need to allow it again. Oh, okay. Never mind. Well, I was late to the party and I paid the price for it. I needed $200. Now I need $800. Still doable. 750 actually. Okay, but that's then if we are not. Oh, that's bear div on 5. Let's go short. Let's go short. Not yet. Where is my stop loss? Here. 800 here. And now it's going. Okay.
There we go.
Ah,
Yeah, I'd like to see some new highs. I'm still long at 393. Never stopped me out. So
393. Okay, that's a nice level to belong, I think.
it's looking good for now.
It does. I'm short scalp. Just a short scalp. Give me a little bit more. It does not want to.
We need to push through these wicks in order to get back to the highs. I'm watching the volume, and that last candle had a decent amount of volume. We need this candle to pick it up.
Yeah, I closed it at break even, so did not want to risk it. It looks like it wants to go higher. Yeah. It does look
Yep,
like it wants to
definitely
go
does.
higher. Well, I don't know what to think anymore. Chop chop.
And it's just, it seems like we're pushing through this resistance. There's a thick resistance above, pushing through it with a lot of bullish energy. I wouldn't suggest that we're gonna, because I mean, we're breaking out of a bull flag. So, I wouldn't suggest that there's any reason to expect there to be like a good opportunity for shorts. Um, I think that shorts are a scalp and longs are a hold.
Yeah,
But that's
yeah,
just me for
100%,
now.
100%. I agree with that. I agree with that. Nice push up. Let's go. A little bit
Okay, I'm
more.
cooking now.
A little bit more. Yeah, me too. Let's go. 660, 770, 820. I'm out. And of course, it did not. Yeah, my God. Now I'm missing $70. Freaking slippage. Okay, $70 should be doable.
coming to the 420s. That's where we rejected before, but this time, can we push through? Is the question.
Yeah, look, based on price action, I think we are about to push through.
I would think so. It's either that or we're going to flag. And usually 4 o'clock, we get some sort of volume spike. So I wonder how it's like what direction it's going to go in.
Growth. Okay. There's a small loss. I need $150. Ready to go long again. Stop loss here. 165. Let's go. I'm long. A little bit higher. Stop loss here. I don't want to get again screwed for $30, so let's put it a little bit higher. No, it's struggling again. The price is struggling here again. And I'm again stopped out. Minimal $100. Okay, so 250 now. Well. Give it another go here. This is not chasing, but with valid reasons, so I would think so. At least. I don't
I
need
think
a
we're
lot
going to
of
push through.
yeah, let's go. 300, let's go. I'm out. Another funded. Let's freaking go.
Damn. Okay, bro. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. On to the new one. Bro, we have to clip. I keep forgetting to clip these things. We funded 3 accounts today. One by one, not connected.
Yeah, today was an excellent session.
Mm-hmm.
We called some levels, bro.
Yeah, I was late now to enter along. Come lower. Yes. No, I don't want to come lower. That's nice. That's nice. And we can go long. Whatever happens, it's fine. I allow you to make new highs, even if you pull back.
Yes. Oh, yeah. We pushed right through those 20s.
Let's go to 450s now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, but bro, how we call it? Like, move up, took the Asia highs, pull back. Now we can go higher.
Well, this was arguably a lot of the sessions, a lot of the London sessions this week have not been this predictable. Like we're
No.
following a pretty nice trend line that helped a lot. There's a lot of places of predictable liquidity that helped a lot. And yeah, the market just kind of followed structure today. So
Wow, Mr. Anderson here again cashed out.
just cashing
Nice.
out. Very
Entered at
nice.
397, closed at 419. Bro, congratulations.
Oh, very nice, bro. Yeah, I'm
Welcome
still
to
in at
Scalping Mania.
393 to
You're
four. I
still
mean,
in? Bro, nice. Nice.
yeah, I'm still in. I think we're about to make new highs, so I'm not. I mean, I'm trading with less contracts. There's less risk, so I need bigger wins. I need
Yeah.
bigger wins.
Yeah, and I should probably I think I should lower my position size. You should
Increase mine.
increase your, yeah, and will be perfect because yeah, I make nice gains, but I also lose accounts quickly, which I'm fine with it at the moment. But as I said already, with the funded accounts, it's different because of the position size. So I just have to get used to that kind of modus operandi where yeah, I'm more patient because like this, you have very quick wins, very quick losses, and I'm perfect. A little bit more time on the play.
Hmm. Yeah, I think I'm just being extra cautious. I blew two out of the five accounts, and I'm close to blowing two more of them. So I'm being super cautious with these.
Mm-hmm.
It's got that $500 daily loss limit, so it's like
Mm.
you can only do so
What
much.
five? What do you have? 25K accounts.
Yeah, 25s. Yeah,
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, I'm stopped out.
and it's always the heavy trades where you get, you know, you lose, and the small trades where you win. So I'm like, wow, since I keep winning these small trades, here I go.
Yeah. Oh wow.
It's a nice pullback right here. I should put my stop in profit because I refuse to give anything back.
Mm-hmm. Sounds good.
Yeah, I think we're just gonna kiss the 9 EMA and then push on up though. Might even add to this.
You're talking about the 5 minutes, right?
Yeah, yeah. I
Yeah.
think we're
I
just
will
gonna kiss
just
the EMA and push. I'm gonna
just
add
Order
it.
kiss the
filled.
9 EMA. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. There you go. Yeah, so I added to this position, and I'm putting my stops at break even,
Yeah.
and I
And
think
I
we're about to
went back in.
push. We're
Yeah.
pushing the new all-time highs, or not all-time highs, but new session
Yeah.
highs.
Yeah.
All-time is crazy. Hey, that'd be great too.
Yeah. Why not? I mean, if you don't take profits before that.
Hmm.
Oh.
We're up $100 on this. Four little micros. I think that this is just gonna squeeze. I think we're gonna squeeze. We're gonna break out of this and squeeze.
Yeah.
See, it's like textbook. And then I'm just curious what kind of move we're gonna have at 4 o'clock, and if I can get behind that, we will see.
Hmm.
It's a nice little pullback we're having.
Mm-hmm. Let's see if we're gonna take the loss and bounce or continue lower.
That's crazy.
Risk the reward is here. I'm trying another long here.
Yeah, this is a
Potential bull
great
div
place.
on very small time frames. So let's see if it will provide with
Stop
something or
filled.
with no, we're gonna stop me first.
Stop me
How
out.
much did I? Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah, stop me out at break even. So I am flat. It's probably gonna go from here. That was a great entry right here.
Yeah. No, I allowed her to stop me. Now I allow her to push. Bull div. I need I don't know, I'm not sure if I would call this breakout structure, but it looks like a higher low finally. We can have a squeeze here. You're allowed to squeeze all of them. Squeeze all of
Yep,
the
yep.
shorters.
There's
Let's
the fucking squeeze.
go.
Isn't that
I
some shit?
love market cipher, bro. I just love it. I just love it. Let's go. 439. No, 437.25. Let's go. 15, 6. That's 10 points. 10, 20, 30. Yeah, that sounds right. Even a little bit lower, I think it should be fine for me. Let's go. That's nice. That's nice, nice, nice. Without any sudden moves now, let's keep it steady. You are allowed to pull back a little bit and continue. You can come lower a little bit more, just a little bit more. Now you should go back up. If not,
Did you just add, bro?
no, I'm not able to add.
Oh shit, you full 40.
Almost now.
You know, full 40 this thing. Um, okay, okay.
Okay,
We're rejecting the
okay,
20s.
okay. Stop loss to break even, a little bit profits because of the slippage. 15. Okay, this is still good. 30. Doesn't look that great, but still allowed to push through. Let's go. You are able to go. Let's go. Oh, come on, confirm the trigger wave. You just need 2 seconds and a little bit of upside, and you will confirm it. Okay, it's curving, but it's coming down. Are we able to confirm this thing? Let's go. That's it. Now we can go. Now we can go. That's right. That's right. Oh my God, let's go. Mm, not okay. If we push through here, this will be my stop loss here. But I just need to see a breakthrough of these highs. Okay, you made a small gap. Let's go. Exactly what I want to see. Continue. Um, no. Okay. Nice. Nice. I love it. I love it.
That's what you want right there.
Yep.
That's
Yep.
exactly what you want right there.
Tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I want 10 more points. I mean, I don't want it. I will get it. I'm just saying.
It's coming your way.
Looks like it. Looks like it. Okay, now if when we push, this should be my stop loss. Uh-huh. Looking good. One more push before the bar gets exhausted. I should probably take advantage of it while I can. No, don't do this. Don't do that. Oh, okay. Still fine, but my stop loss now is close. Heavily in profits. The 15 seconds, 14 SMAs. Okay, you're allowed to push. You are allowed to push. That was even a 1 minute, 9 AMA, and 14 SMA. So this is looking okay still. Give me a little bit higher, and my stop loss will go again higher. I don't particularly like this move. I should probably double bottom.
I'm super curious
Okay.
how this candle closes. Is it a doji? Is it red? Is it green? Is it gonna maintain that low?
I will get stopped here in profits. Um, I'm curious. Shall I just give it a little bit more breathing space before I get stopped out? I don't have a lot of time to think. I'm stopped out. It's not bad. I made 1,000, but mm, mm,
Bad at all.
no, no, it's not. It's not bad at all by any mean. It's just where we're gonna bounce because we will go higher. Come back in.
Well, Apex did say I could do 40 contracts, right? It's like, no, I'm
Oh yeah,
kidding.
true. Yeah, on 25K. That's just crazy.
It's crazy work. I would never.
No, no. You know what's the issue is if you had 1K drawdown, fine, but you have 500 like daily. That makes no
Yeah,
sense. One wrong move
exactly.
and you're out.
That's it.
Literally, like you can be out before it even
You could
goes
be
in.
out with slippage.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You can click market buy and or sell whatever, and that's it. Uh, okay.
Back of the
Um,
stream, man. You think we should quit while we're ahead?
yeah, I was just about to say that. I think it's time to take a break from the charts. I have some
Mm-hmm.
things I need to do, and I will be back later. Let's see. Huh, it stopped only one of my contracts, and it's sort of bouncing. So let's see if it continues. That's good, but mm, I think we are losing the steam here a little bit. We still might go. Let me check the 31 minute. Yeah, okay, 1 minute looks okay. Say five. What does five? Well, 5 minutes. 5 minute time frame does not look bad. We are forming some kind of a
Yeah, it's like
flag band,
it's a
something.
rising wedge. I think
Yeah,
we're gonna break
whatever.
out of the wedge to the upside, but I think it's waiting for 4 o'clock for that volume spike. I don't know what it is about 4 o'clock that you get a volume spike, but
Yeah,
um, it could also be a sell off. Like
yeah,
if
yeah.
you're London and you wake up and you look left at the charts of what happened in the last New
Oh,
York session.
what a wonderful day to short it, innit?
Oh
Yeah.
yeah,
Mm. So
they could take out the lows and then New York could run it back up. I don't know. We could just play in this range for the rest of the week until
yeah,
tomorrow, until Friday. During the half day, we could just kind of push up.
yeah,
Yeah,
definitely could.
the market will
Definitely.
do whatever it wants, whenever it wants, and
Oh yeah.
nobody else will stop it.
Oh yeah. Okay, I like what I'm seeing right now. So let's see if we can continue. If we can continue, that would be lovely. Hmm. Yeah, chop chop. As we say, like this 1 hour after the London Open, from the London Open, it's tricky. Gave us a move, now chopping, preparing for the next move. Chop 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 chop. Oh. Is it time to take the highs again? And we are closing an hourly candle in 15 minutes, so that means that we just closed the 15-minute candle. What will happen? Are we gonna dump? Or are we gonna push? We might push. We just closed the candle. Oh, this is.
That's lovely.
Oh my
Oh,
God!
it was lovely. It's not lovely
It,
anymore.
it was smaller time frame. We're looking good, but 15 minutes can have a pullback before it goes back up. So
I want to go long with the 14 SMA on the 5, but we just haven't gotten there, which is interesting because it's getting closer on the. We're going sideways, so it should be
yeah,
pretty easy,
yeah.
but we have not gotten there. So, but yeah, if I see us tap that 14 SMA, I got a pretty heavy trade waiting. So I just want to catch this breakout to push the high of the session, and I really think they're gonna make us wait till 4 o'clock.
Mm,
But there's the structure says it's ready to go.
yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
Mm, mm, mm. 20 has been acting as some solid support.
I will just instead of one TP, I will put a bunch of orders. Um, just in case. I hope it won't stop me before I do that. Okay. Have to adjust my stop loss. Stop, sell, sell, stop, sell here. Okay. Okay, now I can adjust everything I need to adjust.
Come on. Are we gonna
Ah,
hit this 14
I
SMA?
knew we stayed around here for too long. I should have closed it while I was up. Now I'm break even. And okay, okay, that's fine. Yeah, lovely. Oh, Jesus Christ.
There it is. There it is, the 14. Oh, come on, come on,
Jesus
come on, come on.
Christ.
Come on down. Come on down. Oh, fucking shit. I might have missed it. Might have missed it, bro. Okay. 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 Here. 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 All right. I'm not
Order
scared.
filled.
You're not? Okay. I'm a little bit cautious now because I don't even know why. Oh, but we did not touch the 14 yet.
We almost touched it, but I
Yeah.
think we got close enough.
Okay. And now I'm late. Well, I provided the liquidity. No, not that, not really, but
Not Nick the Wick.
no.
That's crazy. They call you
Nah.
Nick the Wick
Okay,
because you're
okay.
so quick.
Yeah. Oh my God. Okay. Now what is happening right here? What is happening right here? No, I was late. I'm late. I am alert.
Look at that. 240.
Wonderful. Wonderful,
We're
bro.
killing it. We're killing it right now.
Wonderful.
Here comes the breakout or what? Nah,
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna take it because I don't know. I feel like 4 o'clock. You know what? I'm just gonna trim. Just gonna trim before they change their mind.
Yeah.
Trim this shit.
Order filled.
And now my stop is in profits, and I trimmed a pretty nice come up. So
Mm.
yeah, I think we're gonna get a breakout, but I keep feeling like we're gonna wait until 4.
Alright, 10 more minutes.
Yeah, that's it.
10 more minutes. No, I will close this. No, I will close this. Oh my god, but the slippage is just crazy. Super crazy.
Are you long?
I was. I'm out. I did not. I went too late, so I had to manage it. Had
Makes
to
sense.
manage
Yeah.
it. Now
I
I'm
got a
ready
good
to
entry.
go.
I'm long at
Stop
413.
filled.
Oh, not anymore.
Let's see. And this 9 EMA is holding. I'm curious
Yeah.
to see if it will hold. And what is with the 15 minute? 15 minute touched the 9 EMA once and we bounced. Now let's see. 30 minutes. What did 30 minutes do? Same. And we just switch, clipped the 9 and 14 to the upside on 30 minutes. So, and this is like a smaller and smaller range, like of consolidation. So it tells me that we might see a push through.
Now here's a solid touch of the 14 SMA.
On 5.
Mm-hmm.
Not yet, bro.
It's getting
At least
close,
not.
but yeah, just won't. No.
Let it
Oh,
touch. Let it touch.
there we go.
Let it touch. Come on, touch it. Just touch it. There we go.
It's a
There we
moving
go.
target. Okay.
Come on, touch it. Oh my god, come on.
Look, it's struggling.
Well, we're late again. How is this possible, bro? How is this even possible? 411.93. So let me give me 412. If I see 412, I will go in. I mean, I will go in probably anyway. So there you go. 13, 12.50. I mean, and my entry is 412 exactly. To the T.
All right, let's see if it holds.
But
I'm just
my stop
curious.
loss is 408, so
Mm,
it's way too low.
410,
Oh, but the
411.
5 minute closed where all the wicks were to the downside. So let's see if we are able to engulf this back to the upside. I'm suspicious, to be honest. A little bit suspicious.
It's the first
Yeah,
time we wicked below the 14.
No, I'm on 3. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That was 3-minute candle. The
3 minutes. Yeah,
5-minute
on the
needs to
5
push in
minute.
next 20 seconds. If we close like right here, it doesn't look too good. 10 seconds. Let's go. Push. Push. 5. Push. 3, 2, 1. Push. No. Let's see.
Yeah.
No.
I'm feeling the suspicion, but there's obviously buyers that are
Yeah.
piled up here because its price is struggling to push down. Yeah, I think their entry was good, bro.
Yeah, entry was perfect. 412. Exactly.
That was good.
418. That's 6 points. 6 times 6, 36. 36 and 12 is 48. Okay. I guess I'm aiming for 448.
That's realistic.
It is. It's just question is if like always, will it chop around enough to stop me again, or whatever?
I think the next 5 minute candle is going to give you
And
everything you
next
need.
5 minutes, and then we have an hourly open. So let me just check 1 hour time frame quickly to see what's the possibility. Well, if we push in next, oh, but look at this 1 hour. So we had a nice big candle. If this candle closes around here, we will have a doji, and then we can have another big candle. What we had on 15 minutes earlier, we could have on 1 hour now. But again, with this entry, the question is, will I survive? Will my stop loss survive?
Will it survive?
But it's pushing. It's pushing. So okay, let's see how this opens, and then we can call it a night, morning, whatever.
Yeah, I'm thinking the same thing. Whatever the next 5 minute candle gives me, I'm taking and running off until the sunset.
Mm-hmm. Sunset, sunrise. Let's go. Okay,
Yeah.
we're switching to my thing.
Depends on where you are on Earth.
Yeah. Now what? My stop loss has to go in profits here because 1 hour is about to close and open. So I don't want to risk it. I could probably take nicer profits here, but in case of a major pump, I don't want to lose on
Mm-hmm. Oh man, you had a great entry, bro.
Hmm. I should probably scalp something out. Let me remove this. Whoa, 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 wait, I have to take more than I wanted. I would take 35, sell market, 2000. I will take 35 contracts. So don't be stupid, Nicholas. Stop, sell. What do I have now? 20 contracts. Bro, bro, look at this thing go.
Yeah, you killed it, bro.
I made
Easy
what I
20,
had
20 pointer.
1300, 1400. I secured. I have 1,000 here. So I will take 10 more. No, let's make it 15. Let's make it 15. Leave 5 runners. Let's leave 5 runners, and I would need 1,000 more. Okay, battery empty too. This was lovely. Now my trade is safe. Let's see. Oh my god, this would have been my full TP. Woulda, shoulda, coulda. Doesn't count.
The outcome was income, bro. We did that. We did that, man. What a session. The spread just got
What a
crazy though.
session. What a session. Yeah. What a session. Another one, bro. Another one.
Another one. So, hey, well, we got to thank everybody who tuned in today. Especially if you were someone who hit the fucking like button because you
Yeah.
people, you people that had
You
the
people.
audacity to watch and witness this greatness without the like button being hit,
I mean,
you're a special kind of person.
I mean,
You
if there
are.
was I know there is a Twitter police, but if there was a YouTube police, you would have been reported right now. You would have been banned. Your premium accounts would have been cancelled. You would have been cooked.
You've been cooked, man.
Anyway, thank you for joining. Thank you for sticking in. Sticking in. What the fuck? What?
Yeah,
Um,
right.
Congratulations to Mr. Anderson here. Um, he did some nice trades with us.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and you know the drill. We're gonna be live same place, same time. Wait, futures are open tomorrow or no? I don't even know. I
I
forgot.
believe so. I believe we're
Okay.
gonna have futures until 1 p.m. So we should be able
Okay.
to do our thing like normal.
Our thing. Okay, that's perfect.
But
And yeah, and
that's
remember,
it.
price of patience is always less than the price of regret.
Indeed. Thank you
Indeed.
guys for coming out. We will see you tomorrow.